For judgment, item number 1. This is allowed. Item number 2. This appeal is allowed. Item 3. This is partly allowed. Item 4. This is also partly allowed.
One modification.
What modification?
The antecedent part of the mention.
What is that?
Antecedent part.
Condition I'll not change. Huh?
No, election antecedent of second all subject verification.
The subject to verification of any other this,
last
which is not given. We'll see.
Dispose of last pending on after vacation list of.
We'll see after vacation. Yes.
I may be pardoned to mention your lordship one small.
Yes.
Well, it's DLAPL number 10126 of 2025. My lords, if the lordship can allow the memo kindly be listed tomorrow, my lords. The petitioner is in custody since my lords 14/7/2025, your lordship. And it's a poor man, the only breadwinner of the family, my lords.
It's all right. This is urgent matter, huh?
My lords, notice has been issued. It's an urgent matter.
Give a memo.
My lords, I'll go ahead. Get through, my lords.
Yes. Yes. Any mentioning? Yes. No mentioning. Item 5 to be mentioned. The matter is heard, and the parties were directed to file a written note of submission, but note of submission has been filed? No. Neither of the parties have filed a written note of submission. So, release the matter in the first week. Yes. Item 6.
6, I am on virtual
There,
mode,
there-
minutes.
See, 6.
Minutes, I may granted 2 weeks
Written
time
note
minutes
of-
for filing
For a
of.
written note, I have
I'll submit within 10 days. I'll submit.
See, these matters are unnecessarily getting delayed.
yes.
You know, we have a limitation that we can't keep the
Ma'am,
judgment either for a long time.
I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry, Millers. I'm extremely sorry.
If you-
Within 10
It's
days.
all
I'll
right,
submit.
but if you don't want to file, tell me so that I can proceed.
No, I will file it. I'll file it within 10 days, Millers.
Then I shall I put it in the first
My lord.
fifth,
My lord.
Fifth.
Okay.
fifth, both the matters,
Okay.
that matter also. Fifth, both the matters least of
Right.
fifth.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes. Item 7.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Patra. What is this matter?
Just turn to FIR, my lord, which is in clear violation of section 17 of the PCA.
This is vigilance. Sir.
Yes, my lord.
Where is
Vigilance.
vigilance?
My
Wait,
lord, turn to
pass it over. Pass it over. Let him come. Whenever he comes, you tell me so that.
Ma'am.
Just see, look around who was appearing here. Last time none appeared, huh? No, Mr. Maharana is appearing. Just check it up if Maharana is there, call him so that we can do it. Huh? Yes. Pass it over whenever he comes. Yes. Item 8.
May I please, Your Worship? My
Yes,
lord,
sir.
the petitioner is in custody since 14/9/2025, my lord. In this
14?
case, my lord,
14-9.
14/9/2025, not named in FIR. A co-accused person released on anticipatory bail. Well, a similar allegation, lords may kindly glance. 4 co-accused persons in a bunch. My lord,
What are the?
I have also annexed annexure 3, my lord.
I have a copy.
Huh?
Copy also in the annexure 3.
One is,
And it's a 3 lakh statute.
What are the?
And unless that 10 to 12 persons took away one Manas Jana and Deepak Parida and demanded rupees 1 lakh, as he refused, assaulted, took away gold chain and mobile phone. That is the allegation, my lord.
And what about the allegation
And
against
not named
Krishna Chandra? And,
so far as the
Pavitra?
present petitioner is concerned, he is not involved, he is not named in also FIR.
No, what about Krishna Chandra and Pavitra? They are similarly situated.
Similar situation.
Yes. Tell me.
similarly situated unless I'll get the comment.
They are not named in
I
FIR.
can end.
But see, they got anticipatory bail.
Subject to verification of antecedent and other things, your lordship may allow it because I have no document, phrase has come.
Because he is already there in custody. If they similarly situated,
Similar situation.
shall I make a condition that the trial court will see that whether you are similarly situated?
No, it has to be, that observation.
That also, so that both
Because so that there will be no confusion.
petition is existing, so and so, allegation in the FIR is so. Mr. Mohanty, and counsel for the petitioner submits that similarly situated other accused persons had approached this court by filing ABUAPL number 1170 and so on so by the
One antecedent is there, I get mentioned, my lord. In the
I'll just
reject order. Your lordship.
by a common order dated 3/12/2025, the coordinated bench of this court has allowed the anticipatory bail application of those accused persons. He seeks parity with those accused persons and submits that petitioner is in custody since 14/9/2025. Then counsel for the state submits that unless the CD is summoned, it's difficult to ascertain the role attributed to the petitioner. Be that as it may, since the petitioner is in custody and the co-accused persons have already been granted the concession of anticipatory bail, I'm inclined to allow the application subject to verification, and the trial court shall also verify whether the role attributed to the petitioner is similar to that of the accused person to for in this subdivision. Yes.
Item 9.
My lord, I am in basic.
9. Yes.
The initial jerkin containing 50 letter.
My lord, petitioner is
1,500 letter ID.
religion deferred bail.
The CD
Petitioner religion deferred bail, my lord.
default.
Kindly withdraw this matter.
Default bail, you got it.
Yes, yes. Withdraw
I'm not able
this
to follow you. What are you trying to say?
167.
Call for CD with call for CD. Okay.
My lord,
Yes,
petitioner religion deferred bail.
That's right. Let us call for the CD. We don't know whether when he was taken into custody, when the charge sheet is filed. Have you moved 162 of 7 application? They're in trial
Hello.
court. Next 10.
Item 10.
Next. Yes. Item 10. Press matter.
Order.
Please sit after vacation. Yes.
Item 11.
10, my lord. 10. Item pass up.
10. No, urgent. Nobody is there. We can't wait. Yes.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, offense under section 20B 2IB of NDPS Act, my lord.
What is the recovery?
11 kg 800 grams, my lord. Ganja.
Antecedent?
No antecedent.
Where have you said that?
My lord,
Where have you said that there is no antecedent?
as per my instruction.
Instruction.
Yes. ma'am.
Oh, that's the problem. Subject to verification. Huh? 11 kilo. Custody since
14/11/2025.
14/11.
2025.
25. Subject to verification. And like those
Subject to verification of. Subject to verification.
specifically submits that there is no antecedent. Very specifically write up. Oh, granted. Bail granted. Yes.
Obligations.
Yes.
Item 12.
Item 12, I am on VC mode, my lord. Item 12, the only allegation is 3096 of BNS. My lord, the informant said that he, two miscreant, no here my name is mentioned, and two miscreant took 3 lakhs of cash and
That is 394, there is no cash diary, my lord.
Sorry?
They have
There is no
also
case
assaulted the informant. my lord.
394.
But nobody has seen me during, even when my name was revealed, my lord, and nothing, as per my instruction, nothing has been seized from my
CD is there, CD is there.
conscious
My lord, there is
custody,
no
my
CD.
lord.
No CD, my lord.
Call for CD. First week, yes. Next.
Item 13.
Oh, boy.
13, my lord, 103 is there. There is no.
CD, call for CD. You'll have to call for CD. My lord, call for CD.
40. Password.
Password. You want password?
One password.
Okay, password.
15.
Yes.
Charged under section 318 subclause 4 of the PNS. And I have been in custody for the past 8 months.
What is 318?
318, my lord, 420.
420.
420. There is no case diary.
What is the allegation?
And the allegation is that I had borrowed 14 lakhs from a person in the name of investment. I could not pay it within a period of 2 months.
You have borrowed it from one person or many?
One person's. The FIR has been filed by one person's,
Huh.
but subsequently during the course of investigation, it was found that two or three more persons have alleged that I have taken. But the seizure list, which is at page number 34, the order, impugned order is the order of passed by the second judicial Puri. That says an amount of 9 lakhs has been recovered from my account. My lord, the offense is triable by a court by the JMFC. So the maximum
That's
punishment.
right, but I just want to know he cheated how many people?
My lord, there is no case diary.
Call for case diary first.
Mine.
Mine. Call for case diary. A isolated case, I would have given you bail. Because the allegation is you have taken money from other people.
My submission is that already a charge sheet has been filed.
That's what I want to know. If he can say, do you have the charge sheet, anything? It is an isolated case or he has cheated many people? Just verify that.
All the documentary evidence is on record.
Do you have the copy of charge sheet with you?
My lord, I do not have a copy.
That's
of
the whole
charge sheet, my
difficulty. Unless I know that, if you would have given the charge sheet, I would have granted you bail.
My lord.
So therefore, call for
my lord.
yes.
Item 16. 16, my lord, 302 is there. 302, there is no.
302 is there.
There is no case diary.
I have to call for CD.
No, sheet 9.
9. CD. Call for CD. Yeah?
Item 17.
My lord, may I take the liberty of announcing my friend Mr. Maharana has come now in item 7.
This is 17.
After 23, item 23, I'll take it up. Because all fresh matters, I'll take it. Wait, 23, yes.
Item 17.
Yes.
There is no case diary, my lord. There is no case diary, my lord.
What is the offense?
Offense, my lord, 126, 296, 115, 2, 117, and 109.
Call for case diary, yeah? Yeah.
Item 18.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, madam.
The present case, Your Lordship, the petitioner has been languishing inside custody since, Your Lordship, 9/8/2024, Your Lordship. Remanded to the present case, Your Lordship. She is in custody since 10/3/2024, Your Lordship. Allegation under section 420, 406, 467, 468, 471, and
What are the allegations? You tell me?
Lordship, it is alleged the petitioner took a loan.
You have case diary?
No, madam, there is no case diary, madam.
Lordship, in the meantime, 60 days have already been elapsed from the first date of taking evidence. In the meantime, charge sheet has also been submitted and she has been released on bail.
When charge sheet is submitted?
Lordship, I have mentioned in para 6 of my petition.
Tell me the date. Tell me.
Charge sheet 7/12/2024, Your Lordship.
7/12?
2024, Your Lordship.
7/12/24. Impugn order is passed on 26/11/25. You repeat it before trial court. I'm giving that liberty.
Lordship, we have on that ground we have.
See, I'll tell you practically, I'll have to call for CD because charge sheet has been filed. You will waste your time. So I'll give you that liberty. Go and repeat it in the trial court so that you may get bail immediately. You can come here. Otherwise, see, here you know, once it is judged, it never comes.
Lordship, we have
You know that. So
Yeah.
don't take that risk. I'll dispose it up with the observation that the charge sheet has been filed subsequent to the impugn order. So the liberty is granted to you to repeat it bail plea and it will be decided.
Right.
So at least it will dispose up, you can get the opportunity. Otherwise, I'll call for CDA. Absolutely.
Lordship, in view of the quantum of the alleged cheating money, Lordship, the learned trial court rejected the same application. We have
That's the
approached the.
That's the
court.
reason, madam. We
In-
don't know whether you have cheated 1% or 100%.
Lordship, it is alleged, the only allegation is that we submitted documents, Your Lordship, which was duly checked by
Try
the
to
bank.
appreciate. Try to appreciate. Charge sheet has been filed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Without seeing charge sheet, can I decide?
Charge sheet, if
No, no.
Lordship onwards, we can.
Charge sheet, you have to file it. File it. She will verify. It will come after on 5th or 6th. Or otherwise, I'll dispose it up. That is a better idea for you.
Lordship.
Think over. Think over.
Lordship, it may be laid over.
Sorry.
Laid over, Your Lordship.
Okay.
May taken up.
Call for CD. Lease the matter on 6th. 6th of January.
Yes, sir. Oh, bless.
Item 19.
Because thereafter, once it is adjourned, the matters are not coming up per hearing. Many people are suffering. So that's the reason I was suggesting you. Anyway, that's your choice.
Pass.
Pass on.
20.
Yes, sir.
That is 420, madam.
My lord, this ill-fate petitioner is entangled in so many cases like this.
And there is no
Unless
case.
they- I'm just-
1 minute. See.
Madam, madam.
She has been released by coordinate bench in all the cases. This case is before my lord.
You want to go to coordinate bench?
No, my lord, I don't want to say. Kindly go through the para 5 of my petition. This is the real. This is the.
Why you file a consolidated affidavit stating the status of cases and
Already going on trial comments.
so you file a affidavit narrating whatever the cases you have and what is the status, so that I can grant you bail.
My lord, I have also mentioned in my petition and kindly take all the.
To me, how many cases you have?
She is a lady and sweeper. Can it be possible to give
In the petition you have not said anything.
Yes, sir.
The petition you have not said it.
Yes, my lord, I have in para 5.
That is what I'm saying. You have to file all these things and file an affidavit.
In para 5, I have stated.
Submits that you would file in affidavit detailing out to the antecedent and the status of those cases. Leave the matter on 6th. 6th, I'm listing it, file an affidavit and prepare the chart and saying that what are the cases pending, what is the status of those cases, in which cases you got the bail. So that it will be easier for me to reproduce and grant you bail. Okay. 6th.
Item 21.
Similar. Theft item is a motorcycle. Like one of the quackies have been granted bail.
Motorcycle? What motorcycle?
I mean, the fact remains, my lord, while the informant parking his vehicle had gone to morning work, my lord, on return, my lord, his vehicle was missing, my lord.
There is 11
Vehicle recovered.
Recovered.
madam, 11 criminal antecedents.
Say type of vehicle.
Have you said anywhere how many criminal antecedents are there?
Rejection itself.
Rejection order, madam.
Rejection itself. See, remand case, ସବୁ ଯାକ bike ଯୋଉଠି ଚୋରି ହେଲା ଆଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ପକେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
But you have to give those cases, particulars.
In all cases, my lord, he was on bail.
Where will I get that? The problem is everything orally you say. You don't write anything, a single sentence. That is the reason your applications are rejected. What to do? File an affidavit. File an affidavit detailing tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow I'll take it. The theft case, how many days you'll keep him?
Not
My lord,
schedule
sir.
island.
A vehicle theft, that is already recovered. How many days you'll keep him?
9-6, your lordship.
File affidavit, let us understand how many cases
Yes,
are
sir.
there. Tomorrow, huh?
Madam.
Get an affidavit. And give the full status, otherwise I'll reject it. Remember.
Yes.
Yes.
22.
My lord, petitioner is in custody since 1925.
Sorry? Date?
In custody, 1925.
What is the date you say?
1925.
19/9/25. Okay.
My lord.
Yes. Yes. Recovery?
recovery 10 kg गोटे 12 kg गोटे अलगा अलगा
21 kg 150 grams.
टोटाल 2 जण थिले 10 kg 12 kg visiting रे जाइथिले टूर रे जाइथिले मिलर
Outsider or local?
is no way connected in
Where is this address?
Hello.
Kerala.
Kerala.
You file affidavit disclosing the permanent address, local address, and local security and all. File affidavit, huh? Okay, okay. 6th. And your antecedents also.
no
You have to write that in the affidavit. 6th. Okay. Yes. 23.
One Passover.
Okay. Yes. 17th. Huh? Yes, Mr. Morana.
Item 7.
17 or 7? Huh? What is this matter? This press matter what?
No, my lord, not. It was heard earlier.
How it has come to me, first of all, let us know.
My lord, Justice Mahapatra was of the opinion that since my lord has passed an order earlier in earlier round of litigation, it should be placed before this bench.
He wants to say that I have committed one mistake, let him commit another.
No,
Why should I?
no,
Why should I do?
No, my lord, there is a small legal issue, my lord. There is nothing more. It will not take more than 10 minutes. Yes. My lord may just turn to page 85. That is the FIR.
Oh, this is a hearing matter then, huh?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, just see the name of the complainant, my lord. That is
Sibo Sankar Mishra,
that is
the
the one.
accused.
Yes, he is the inspector of police from Vigilance Cell, Cuttack. Then, my lord, this FIR, the complaint was filed before.
How much time will you take?
15 minutes, my lord.
You?
I'll take 5 minutes.
20 minutes. Then
5 minutes.
Let me finish the bail matters. Because a lot
Mine.
of people are there. It may stretch a little bit. Let us fix it at 2:30.
My lord.
Or you tell me 2:30. You tell me. Any problem? Huh?
12:30 ହେଲେ 12:30 ହେଲେ ବି ସରିଯିବ.
Okay, 12:30.
Mine.
Huh? So that till 12:30 at least I'll make them free. Otherwise, unnecessary, everybody will be waiting for you.
I understand.
And from the back, they will keep on prompting, dismiss it, dismiss it. So that you will finish. Yes.
24, your lordship, I prefer a Passover.
24, your lordship, last time your lordship directed to ascertain whether petition is working as a teacher from since 2011 to 2025. Your
Yes,
lordship.
yes.
I have accordingly wrote letter to the IIC. IIC has given that the DO and DO office is due to close some reason, could not obtain the exact status of regarding the whether he is continuing or not, your lordship.
Your lordship,
What is this? This order was passed in September.
Your lordship, but day for yesterday that matter was listed for this honorable court. Accordingly, I have wrote letter to IIC. Whatever. Is short for time, your lordship. IIC is short for
No.
time.
See,
This is
it's not. I understand it. See, but the order was passed in September.
Your lordship,
Today we are in December. What is this kind of instruction? Inquiry is going on.
Lordship, that
Let him appear.
Lordship, may I suggest one thing, your lordship, subject to my lordship's consideration. Lordship, the day before yesterday, the matter was listed for this honorable court, your lordship. I have wrote letter accordingly, they have supplied.
No. Why I did it is
Lordship.
on 23rd September the order was passed.
Lordship.
Thereafter matter was taken up on 26th September.
Lordship.
Asking him to get the instruction. Today we are in December. 18th December again it was listed. Today in 23rd. And he says that inquiry is going on.
CD and everything is available, your lordship, but so far the petitioner filed an affidavit stating that.
He is wasting time. Let him. Right on.
Lordship, may I pray one letter?
26/9/2025. A direction was issued by this court to obtain instruction regarding the authenticity of the RTI information placed on record by the petitioner. The information could not be obtained by the state. Again, the matter was taken up on 18/12/2025, reiterating on the same order. When the matter is the learned, the inspector in charge, Adivasi Police Station, Gajapati, provide its letter dated 22/12/2025 has sought further time, stating that the inquiry regarding the ascertaining the authenticity of RTI information is still going on. It is unfortunate that even after lapse of more than 2 months, in October, November, 2 months, the instruction has not yet been received. Therefore, the IIC Adivasi Police Station, Gajapati, shall appear before court to report on 6th. When we are sitting on 6th. On 6th of April. Okay. 6th of April. It's going to be taken on record.
Public.
25, may I please?
Yes.
Mala, last order, Mala, kindly have a glance.
Yes.
The pursuant to order passed by this annual court, the petitioner has surrendered on 24/1/25. Page 26, my lord. The unknown accused person, page 26 of the charge sheet. Last time, my lord has everything has observed in the last order.
What have you said there?
File an affidavit.
To file an affidavit whether he has antecedent or not. And last time, my lord has observed that the as per charge sheet page 26, as the unknown accused person were in exclusive and conscious possession.
No criminal antecedent.
I have to verify the certain whether the
verified.
I am not just now I received the affidavit. Your Honor.
Pilot may direct the Lord Trial Court to verify the
What is the recovery? How much?
Recovery
780
from unknown was 783 kg of ganja from unknown persons. And as per charge sheet, my lord, page 26.
26.
My lord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Where is the charge sheet? Yes.
Page 26, my lord, of the charge sheet.
Yes.
My lord has gotten.
Yes.
As the unknown accused persons were in exclusive and conscious possession of ganja, which is contrary to article and constitute an offence under NDPS Act. Detention and IS Chitron instructed him to follow the procedure of search and seizure. After observing all from search and seizure, SI so and so registered Chitragunda PSP so and so and directed to take investigation. During course and visited the spot, examined the complaint and they are proved the occurs. Model, local and locality, proper village is etc. Accused Chitra Sharma, owner of the involved vehicle, purchased ganja from the cultivator of hilly and forest area of Chitragunda village in low price and with the help of driver, present person is Pitambar Kora and being escorted by Satan transferred to Gandha, Andhra Pradesh. Then my lord have a glance to the anticipatory bail order, page 16. Pursuant to order passed by
1/6, huh?
I may pardon.
1/6.
1/6.
Yes.
Pursuant to order passed by this honorable court, the petitioner has surrendered.
Yes.
It is stated by law that he further on the petition has been implicated on the basis of the coag for the refurnished version. Considering the para 6.
Yeah, where are you reading?
And he has given my observation, but as per charge sheet, conscious position was the unknown accused person, but not from the present person. And
which paragraph you are reading? Why you are reading one line and leaving all the other thing?
Page 17, my ambulance.
Yes.
Page 16, my lord.
You can't pick up one sentence and read and leave the other part.
No, I am reading total.
And you think that I'll not read? I will read everything.
No. My lord has read.
That way you won't get relief. If you honestly read it out, then I can try to find out some way out to give bail.
Page 26.
If you try to, place things,
I am reading everything.
Then the whole problem comes.
Page 26. Page 26, my lord. As the accused persons were in school, unknown accused persons were in school.
Now you are reading page 26, huh?
Page 26. As the unknown accused persons were in exclusive and conscious possession of ganja, which is contrary to article and constitutes an offence under NDPS Act and dictated during normal duty. He informed the fact to IIC Chitrakunda at 4:20 AM over phone about the detection of the contraband ganja, and the IIC Chitrakunda instructed to follow the procedure of search and seizure.
Yes.
After observing all formality of search and seizure pending, SI Manoj Kumar Pradhan prepared the claim to
Yes.
paper.
Yes, what do you
My
say?
respectful submission, Lordship, apart from the official witnesses, the independent witnesses clearly stated that the present petitioner.
Who all are the independent?
Lordship, I am placing the one.
Because the charge sheet says that in the local and confidential inquiry. In
Yes, Your Lordship.
what confidential inquiry?
Lordship, that the present petitioner was fled away from the spot, and the other persons, those who are the nearby area, is clearly stated that the present. Lordship, I stated the independent witness one, Lordship, that is Sanatan Khara, Lordship.
He is a villager. He is a villager. He is
Yes,
a villager.
yes,
Okay.
Lordship.
Yes.
ମୁଁ ଦେଖ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ମୋର ଦେବା ବୟାନ ହେଇକି ଯେ ସକାଳ 6ଟା ଘଟିଆ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଏବଂ ସୁବାର ଫିଲ୍ଡ ଚିତ୍ରକୋଣ୍ଡା ବସଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ପାଖରେ ଛିଡା ହେଇଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଚିତ୍ରକୋଣ୍ଡା ଥାନା ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ସାର୍ ଏବଂ ଥାନା ଗାଡିରେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଆମ ନିକଟକୁ ଆସିଲେ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଏସ୍ଆର୍ ଛକଠାରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ବୋଲେରୋ ପିକଅପ୍ ଗାଡି ଏକ ହିରୋ ଗ୍ଲାମର ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ଏସ୍ଆର୍ ଛକଠାରେ ଅଟକ ରଖାଯାଇଛି। ଗାଡି ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ଚାଳକ ସେଠାରେ ଗାଡି ରଖି ନିକଟରେ ଥିବା ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳାଇଲେ ଏବଂ ଉକ୍ତ ପିକଅପ୍ ଗାଡିରୁ ଡାଲାରେ ଥିବା ବସ୍ତା ଗୁଡିକର ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଥିବାର ସନ୍ଦେହ କରାଯାଉଛି। ଉକ୍ତ ଗାଡିର ତଲାସି ଏବଂ ସିଲେଇ କଲା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଭାବେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କଲେ। ଏଥିରେ ଆମେ 2 ଜଣ ଗାଡି ନେଇ ଗଲୁ। ଏହାପରେ ଆମମାନଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଉକ୍ତ ଅଟକ ରହିଥିବା ପିକଅପ୍ ଗାଡିକୁ ବସ୍ତା ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ଅଟକେଇଲେ। ସେଥିରେ 30 ଗୋଟି ବସ୍ତା ଥିଲା ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଗନ୍ଧ ହଉଥିଲା। ଏହାପରେ ସେଇ ବସ୍ତା ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଖୋଲା ହେଲା। ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ ଉକ୍ତ ବସ୍ତାରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଥିଲା। ଏହାପରେ ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ସାର୍ ସେଇ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଥିବା ବସ୍ତା ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଓଜନ କଲେ ଏବଂ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ ଯେ ସର୍ବମୋଟ
It's all right. Pitambar has.
ଓଜନ ଆପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଏଏସ୍ଆଇ ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବେହେରା ସାର୍ ଜବତ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କଲେ। ଏଏସ୍ଆଇ ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ବେହେରା ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଜିମ୍ମା ଦେଲେ। ପ୍ରଧାନ ସାର୍ ତାଙ୍କର ବ୍ରାସ୍ ମୋହନ। ଏହାପରେ ଜାକାପି ଅଞ୍ଚଳରୁ ବୁଝିବାରୁ ଜଣା ପଡିଲା ଯେ ବିଦାର ପକନା ଗ୍ରାମର ପିତାମ୍ବର ଖରା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନର ଉକ୍ତ ବୋଲେରୋ ପିକଅପ୍ ଗାଡିରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଚାଳନ କରୁଥିଲା।
ବୁଝିବାର କାଠ ବୁଝାଲା କିଏ କହିଲା? Who has seen him going away from that place? Anybody has seen him?
No, nobody has said, but fled away from the store. I mean, independent witness who is the parading party in the very fateful night, Your Lordship. ASI, Your Lordship, I am placing the statement of that statement.
The charge sheet says that from the confidential inquiry they came to know
that is the consistent.
he fled away from the spot.
Yes, Your Lordship. But
what is confidential? So what confidential in?
May I read the placement statement? One statement of the Lingaraj Pradhan Behra, who is the one of the.
Yes. Don't read relevant part on it.
ଏହାପରେ ପାଖାପାଖ ପଚାରିବା ବୁଝିବାରୁ ଜଣା ପଡିଲା ଯେ ବିଦାର ପକନା ଗ୍ରାମର ପିତାମ୍ବର ଖରା ଉକ୍ତ ବୋଲେରୋ ପିକଅପ୍ ଗାଡିରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଚାଳନ କରୁଥିଲା। ଏହାପରେ ଘଟଣାସ୍ଥଳରେ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସାର୍ ଏକ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କଲେ ଏବଂ ଜବତ ହୋଇଥିବା ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଗାଡି ଏବଂ ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ସହିତ ଆମେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଥାନାକୁ ଫେରିଲୁ। That is there that the ASI who is.
That is what I am asking. କାହାକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ?
From the locality of the gathered information that present.
That is how you can't,
That is, I will say that whatever the statement is recorded during the investigation, that I have to submit, Your Lordship.
You ask anyone, you tell, you ask X or Y or Z, they say that yes, we have seen that he was running away or something of that sort. There is nothing.
That is the consistent statement of the independent official witnesses. So also independent.
Irrespective of whatever recovery, I am not interested in that. Conscious position is not there.
No,
we have seen him fleeing him from the spot.
देखिए fled away from the spot, Your Lordship. That is there, Your Lordship. But
ये कर आप कौन आते देखो ना देख ले देखा तू
मैं read the one of the say
flag कर दियो तू मते
Lordship मैं read the
flag कर दियो तू underline flag कर दियो
yes, Your Lordship. I have given
मुद्दे दियो okay give it I'll pass you yes underline and flag
yes, Your Lordship.
ठीक है yes
I beg your pardon, madam. Item 20.
I've asked for personal appearance of the yes. Please.
In the
Sixth.
In the interim, now also the approximate date of the
This is an Oxalite activity. I need to know the reports. So 6th I have kept it.
appear original application.
That's right, but that is the reason I have asked him to personally appear in the court. What is this going on?
Pardon, my lord. I was in duty. If possible, item 23. Just pass over.
23, okay.
Just pass over.
Yes, sir. 23, देखो. What is this? 23. Yes.
My lord, recovery of ganja.
How much?
40 kg gross weight. Net weight 39 kg, 830 grams. Custody
Yes.
since 2011, 2025.
No, this is the
One antecedent.
no, one antecedent, but what
He's
kind of
on-
antecedent?
He's on bail. He's on bail.
But what kind of antecedent? Murder case, rape case?
NDPS. Similar.
How will I know? Why are you doing all these things?
No, can't.
Verify. Verify.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Madam,
Please don't try to be, try to be fair to the court.
no.
Kondhamal case, what Kondhamal case?
Then I may pardon. I
And
have
which
mentioned-
provision? What is the offense? What is the recovery? Nothing is there.
No, my lord, I may pardon. I have mentioned.
Verify, verify.
May I have mentioned, my lord, city special case number Arajio
All of the affidavit I have seen it. Verify. Verify the affidavit. Yes, next.
Item
Immediate.
19 pass over.
19, okay.
Yes. This is the 164 statement.
Custody since?
Custody since, my lord, 21/7/25. Charge sheet submitted in the meantime. 69.
What's the age of this victim?
Age of the.
Age is not written here.
No, FIR. 28. FIR that has been mentioned.
What is the name? Chandan sir.
Yes, sir. Petition is 23. Mm-hmm. 164 is certified. 880. Dorandu.
Oh, abhi douchana.
Urdu the code porcho.
Yes, 164. Just have seen it.
Just now is.
You read it.
Yes, FIR.
Custody since? Yes.
Again. That is submitted on 14/9/25.
25. Custody since?
Custody 21/7/25.
Yes.
Last 14 hours, is it mentioned again? What is
Allegation, sorry. Petitioner is in custody since 14/9/2025. Charge sheet has been filed on 14/9/2025.
Charge sheet submitted 14/9/2025.
Yes.
Custody 21/7.
21/7/2025. During investigation, the statement of the accused under section 164 CRPC was recorded. He inter alia stated that she was earlier married to one Kalia Bhodai. And after she got separated, she fell in love with the present petitioner, Chandan Swine. They had been in relationship for about 5 years, and the petitioner promising her to marry, kept physical relationship continuously since last 5 years. He has also stated in the statement that the petitioner has taken about 5 lakh rupees for the purpose of running the household. Whenever she used to raise the issue of the marriage, the petitioner avoided. Therefore, and when she insisted for marriage, the petitioner threatened to commit suicide. Suicide. Regarding to the statement recorded on the take it on.
Obligation.
Yes.
26.
Kerala petitioner called himself as a DSP and some uniform and toy gun recovered from his vehicle.
Sorry?
Toy gun and uniform, police uniform was recovered from his vehicle.
Toy gun.
CD is not yet received.
Charges submitted, my lord. The custody is 9 months in custody, my lord. Last time, last want to know the charges submitted or not.
Charge sheet filed?
Yes, ma'am. That's submitted.
Where is the charge sheet? Do you have the copy? Antecedents?
One antecedent, my lord, already rendered bail by the Honorable.
What is the name? Name of the applicant is Manas Ranjan Salam. Why don't you file it? I can't read it and he has to
I have not received.
look into it. If you have a copy, why you have not filed it? File a copy. 6th Rakudi. Charge sheet has been, it is stated to the bar that the charge sheet in the present case has already been filed on 6/18/2025. The copy of charge sheet is in place on that. And verify it, huh?
Yes.
Verify.
Short.
27.
This is the lordship, my lord.
Item 27 is man of Rajasthan.
Yes,
Conscious
I will
person
kindly have the
category
last
one there.
order. Please have the last order.
My lord and friend has filed an affidavit and details of address details. And I have already sent to the concerned police station IAC to ascertain the genuineness of that affidavit address given by this affidavit. You have not yet received your lordship regarding that.
But may please see the order dated of September 2025 and then your lordship's last order.
This is September the order was passed.
It's
And
29.
again I passed the order on 18th, 12th. No verification.
Reopening Rasu.
My lord, 15 kilos each. My lord, 15 kilos each.
15 kilo.
Yes, my lord. 2 petitioners, 15 kilos each.
I'll record it that you are unable to produce it and grant the bail.
Grateful.
And the trial court will verify it and give it.
Grateful, my lords.
I can't wait. Petition is accused also.
But that affidavit.
Custody
May
31/7/2025.
21/7/2025.
May I pray one thing, Lord, sir? That affidavit, my lord and friend has filed in 9 October 2020.
Everything will be,
May-
trial court will verify it.
Yes.
Trial court will verify. The recovery is how much you said?
My lord, 15 kilos each.
15 kilos.
Total 30
How
kilos.
many of you are there?
2 petitioners, my lord.
Petitioner? 15 kilo is 21 was recovered from them. And the persons to the order the date 24/9/2025. The petitioners have filed the affidavit, which was supposed to be the contents of the affidavit is supposed to be verified by the state council. Accordingly, a direction was issued on that day. However, even after adjournment, the state has not produced any instruction after verification of the contents of the affidavit. In view of the what will be a contravent report from the petitioner, and since they are in custody since 21/7/2025, no antecedents, na?
No antecedents, paragraph
And,
6 of the
and
affidavit.
there is no antecedent as per the affidavit filed by the petitioner. I'm inclined to enlarge the petitioners on bail. However, the verification of however, subject to the verification of the authenticity of the affidavit, contents of authenticity of contents of the affidavit, the trial court shall be enlarged. Okay. Affidavit dated with the affidavit dated now also 20.
My lord, may I seek for a timeline for 7 days? Within 7 days, the trial court will
No,
verify.
you know that.
Please, my lord, can have that
You
time
get your
limit.
Java verification. So
Grateful, Lord.
Yes.
28.
May I please? This case, my lord. Last week, last week told me to file an affidavit. I have already filed the affidavit, my lord, stating the parent address and phone number, also the bailer, my lord.
West Bengal.
The copy diyantu, I will ascertain.
Same for
Ladies ଟା 52 kg
same for very
Conscious position, lordship.
train ରେ ଯାଉଥିଲା
Train of
how much?
52
52
kg.
kg of ganja, conscious possession, man of West Bengal.
Ladies টা
My learned senior has filed now affidavit. I will
ଦେଇଛି,
try
verify
to
କରିବେ।
ascertain the
Trial court will verify it.
Trial court verify କରିବେ।
Trial court will get it verified and
Alright.
issued. Custody since
My lord, since 28/1/25.
28/1/25.
25.
Subject to verification of the affidavit, contents of verification. Even you know. Item number 28. 28. Item 28. 27
Obliged.
custody since 28.
1.
25. Lady. Yes, lady.
Yes. 29.
59 units. Initially, FIR has been raised to 137.2 kidnapping. Subsequently, turned to 363, 73.
What is that
70,
after
34.
vacation? Yes.
30.
Active prefer and adjournment, ma'am.
Okay, adjourned. Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
31.
What is that? Adjourned, huh? Adjourned.
32.
On behalf of Mr. Mangunani Mela, I am praying for an adjournment.
Okay, adjourned. Yes. On request, adjourned. Yes.
33.
Lordship, may I please? Lordship,
Yes.
I am on PC. Appearing on behalf of my senior Dolgomino Mapatra and appearing for the informant.
Yes.
I am for the petition.
Informant, huh?
He's for the informant. I am
Okay.
for the petition.
I thought yes. Yes.
Case of elopement. 25 years boy and 16 years girl. They eloped. And recovered after 5 days. She made 3 statements. All these 3 statements I have annexed for your lordship. In one statement, she says that I have not eloped with this boy. I had been to my friend's house. In the second statement said, we are in love, we eloped. In the third statement, she said, we eloped, we had relations.
But 15 years.
16 years.
That's the problem.
5 years.
Whatever she says makes no difference.
Then a concept, I'm not harping on that, but it's a bail application and
Custody
your
since.
lordship's judgment regarding POCSO.
Custody since.
Custody since, my lord, high month of 22/5/25, 22/5/2025. 25.
What is your age?
Charge sheet bhi hai galan.
Charge sheet filed on.
Charge sheet I have annexed. I have given all the documents.
Charge sheet was filed on.
Charge sheet was filed on
2/6/2025. 2/6/25. Let us see how seriously he is opposing. Yes.
Your Lordship, we have not the copy of the bail application.
Fundamental objection. You can't help it. Give the copy or what? He doesn't have the copy also.
He will be appearing in VC.
We will
Anybody is there? Anybody is there physically here in the court to whom the copy could be given?
No, sir. No, Your Lordship, nobody is present there.
Then how the copy?
To solve a copy on.
How he will serve the copy? On whom?
Your
Can you
Lordship,
give email ID so that at least email we can send?
Yes, Your Lordship.
WhatsApp email ID.
Yes, Your Lordship. May I be please allowed to give my email ID?
Give your number so that. Madam, give your number.
Can I ask him his telephone number?
Telephone number you give it.
Yes, Your Lordship. I am giving it. 7978
7878.
7978.
Sorry?
The 7978.
Once again repeat it. 78.
79
79. Yes.
78 23
Yes.
14
14. Yes.
17.
17. Got it, madam?
Kindly repeat.
Once again repeat it.
79
V number देखिदले होगा ना V number जो फाइल करते हैं 7823
1417.
1417.
Yes, sir.
Can I pray maybe taken up tomorrow? I'll be
Hello.
solving a copy on him today.
This young man, how can he read?
Informant tankori document. I am not submitting anything beyond their document, their affair. He must be having everything.
What do you say? I'll take on 6th. 6th
Yes.
of this January. I'm sitting on that. 6th, huh? Keep it on 6th. Copy of the application and along with the annexes to be shared on the council. Mr. Biraja Prasad Rautrai. Rautrai, appearing virtually from Jagat Singh. Jagat Singh. For complainant, huh? Yes. Next.
Pardon, 30 is possible.
30?
30, item 30, I miss.
I don't know what had happened.
Password.
We'll see, huh? Nobody came. Password at 2 o'clock. You tell. Yes.
34.
May I please have a
Yes.
It's under section 4.
30 has already been added on your lordship. My lord and friend has.
But he came, he might have got stuck somewhere.
30 are already added.
Yes.
34.
My lord, may I please the lordship? Custody since 25.
46 witnesses, 4 witnesses have already been examined.
2024.
Reliable testimony of PW3, the informant, and submits that he would place on record the.
My lord, that is the my lord evidence of the informant PW3. Last
Place on record, I said. He will get a copy.
My lord.
You don't place it on record, how will you? The problem. Let him file it.
My lord, may
I have directed to place on record, giving a
that
copy.
is my mistake. My lord.
Then
That is my
for that mistake, you have to wait till reopening. What can I do?
My lord,
He'll obviously ask for.
may I pray tomorrow?
No question. No, I can't. Humanly, not possible. Not.
My lord, I beg.
I gave you. I accommodated you because I could have decided.
My lord, I beg pardon.
Then it's all right. 6th, huh? 6th. Yes.
My lord, may I pray?
Next.
35.
It's an region.
35.
May I please, your lord? Due to elopement, the present petitioner along with the victim were fled away from their respective houses. According to 363 FR was registered. Subsequently, 376 2N 366.
Notice
has already gone.
Notice service.
And service has not come.
Huh?
Service has not come.
Notice was issued on 24/9.
Yes, sir. But service has not.
Through
Service report.
Through IO of the case.
This is a case of elopement.
Just check it up.
Boden face service notice has not come. That I have to talk with him.
By order dated 24/9/2025, notice was issued to the opposite party number 2, the victim, to be served through the IO.
25/9 notice has issued.
The council for the state submit that on 25/9/2025. Notice was sent to opposite party number 2. However, the report hasn't yet been received by him. Accordingly, he seeks one adjournment to ascertain regarding the service of notice on opposite party number 2. Leaves the matter on 6th. Yes.
36 on behalf of SRS. Under 302, there is one material witness, namely Balkar Singh. I will renew my prayer after his examination before the law and trial court.
Withdraw it, huh? One.
Balkar Singh.
He is the eyewitness.
He is the, yes, madam.
The counsel for the petitioner submits that in the present case, there is only
witness to last in theory and holding the knife only. Not seeing how
there is no eyewitness.
No eyewitness.
Okay, one, what is the name of the witness?
Balkar Singh.
One Balkar Singh is the witness to the last scene as well as
the holding of the knife by the petitioner.
Last scene.
The scene
being a post occurrence witness and a last scene witness, and he submits that he would withdraw this present petition and wait and with the liberty to renew the bail after the paid witness is examined. With this liberty, the petition is disposed of. Yes.
37. Kindly pass over on the other.
24 kg 800 जो CD was called for, not received. I pray for on
CD has been called for, but it has not yet been received. Hence,
Sumaran, yeah.
council seeks adjournment. CD has not come. What to do? CD was called for 6th.
The
Sixth.
capacity is
Yes.
38.
May I please, your lordship? The accused petitioner, he is in custody since 30/10/2022.
So, 30th October 2025.
2022.
22.
Your lordship.
What is the offense?
The offense is 302 IPC.
Yes.
302.
302. Yes, madam.
The allegation is that the informant, he lost FIR, alleging that the accused, he was given
See,
medicine.
the witnesses have already been examined. How many witnesses are there total?
Total 23 witnesses, and among them 13 witnesses have been examined. Earlier, the bail application number 8240 of 2024, it was rejected by this honorable court on 4/4/2025, saying
Yes.
that 4 witnesses were to be examined. I am reading out the main portion, the order portion.
Material witnesses like Naresh Sahu, Hola Pradhan, Savitri Kishan, and Rupen Pradhan.
They have been examined.
Yet to be examined. They have already been examined.
That
They have been
deposition
examined.
copy.
They have been
Deposition
examined.
copies have filed.
I
Have
have
been
filed
filed.
the
No,
Annexure
Along with the petition is there.
then only CD is there.
I have filed
Madam,
the,
here deposition copies are there.
I have filed the deposition.
Madam, deposition copy you have not supplied to the State Council.
I have given all the copies through email.
Just check it up, must be there. No.
Exhibit Annexure
Yes.
Annexure
She has
4,
filed all. You tell me who is the Naresh?
Naresh
PW?
Sahu, PW9. He is Naresh Sahu, Annexure 4.
Yes. What he has said?
He has said, I'm just reading out the deposition of.
He turned hostile, huh? Next witness.
That all this is annexed.
Naresh. Yes, I have next. I am reading out. Your Lordship. Next witness is PW10 Savitri Kishan.
Yes, Savitri. She also turned hostile.
Yes.
And next Rupen Pradhan turned hostile.
Annexure 3, Annexure
And
6.
yes, I can have Hola Pradhan also turned hostile.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
So,
What do you say? All of them turned hostile. See, earlier he came to this court by the order dated 4/4/2025. The bail application was rejected, saying that these witnesses to be examined, wait. And all of them has not supported it.
Not support.
the father of the accused, he is
154 they have examined.
What to
more,
do?
Your Lordship, the mother of the accused, she is 70 years old and she is a widow. And
Mother, I am not interested in mother. It is not interim bail. Talk about the merits of the case.
so these 4 witnesses, they
And
have
you, Naresh Sahu, PW9, Hola Pradhan, PW12, Savitri, PW10, and Rupen Pradhan, PW11.
Yes.
All of them have been turned hostile. And the cross-examination, if you want to read it.
But their material witness not examined as indicated in the page 29 from the learned court below.
But you, the order says that these are the witnesses to be examined.
That's
Material witnesses. That time you should have said that other material witnesses are there.
There are 29 mechanical glance.
Page 29.
Page 29.
Here.
Para 3.
Para 3.
On the other hand, learned PP submitted, prosecution submitted the accused has committed murder of a woman who was aged of 70 years. The alleged offense is heinous and serious nature. This
Para
case-
4 you are reading. Para 3.
Para 3.
Okay.
In this case, third line, 12 witnesses have been examined from the side of prosecution. Other material witnesses have not yet been examined.
That is what the trial court, this court says that the material witnesses are 4. All the 4 witnesses have already been examined. They have not supported you. That's what her case is.
No, that examined on 2 no, but the rejection on 4 no. The witness examined as indicated from the annexure 4, there are 2/9.
Yes.
But the rejection order shows that it's 4/9.
in any case,
2nd September.
The rejection order was at page 28. Vanessa.
No, you just see Annexure 17. Order of this court. Annexure 17. 17 to this petition.
4-4.
Yes, 4-4. Thereafter, these people were examined.
But so far the
No, September. No, these are, they are examined, see, 2nd September.
And thereafter, I moved to
4-4 is the rejection order of this court, saying that these witnesses have to be examined. Thereafter, on 2nd September, these witnesses are now examined and they have not supported the case.
but 4-4 after 4-4 the 4-9 rejection. Even though the
Just see in the cross-examination, is anything is there?
No.
There is nothing in the cross-examination.
But 4-4, 4-9 per once it has been recorded there in the rejection their material witness.
that it was my duty to move before learned judges, so I moved.
Para 5 the observation of the learned trial court in the rejection of mechanical glass has page 30.
But in any case, because
13
You tell me who remained then?
That unless I will be consulted with the IAC, then I cannot.
Okay, 6th.
I mean,
Huh?
Your Lordship, I am in custody since.
See you, madam, you please supply the copies of for the, deposition to the state council.
I have given to learned council.
He doesn't have, you know that what
I have
happens.
given all the copies.
Other copy.
Give the copies so that I'll put it on 6th. I'll hear it. Just check it up, huh? 6th, okay.
39.
May be not.
Copy of the bail petition not supply, madam.
Notice.
You are appearing for?
Notice. Informant, madam.
Informant.
Kindly have the glance.
Only notice, madam. There is nothing else.
And kindly have a glance to the statement recorded 183.
He needs the copy.
The notice was issued, my
Only notice, madam.
Notice
Nothing else.
along with copies, my lord.
No.
That was said by the
council.
state council, my lord. State council the
Only copy.
Kindly-
Only notice.
Kindly have a- There is no allegation of sexual assault or anything else.
You have to give all these things. Give it to him. He entitled to, copies.
CD madhya asine.
Notice was issued.
Give these copies. Place it on the copy. Pursuant to the order dated 25/9/2025, so entered appearance for the informant victim and submits that he doesn't have the copy of either the copy of the petition or the these are depositions.
No, my lord, the statement on 183.
Or the statement recorded under section 183 BNSS. There is a copy of the bail petition as well as the statement recorded under 183 BNSS is applied to the legal counsel for the complaint. Please matter on
6th.
That copy may be so.
6th. File it immediately.
Yes.
Don't keep it with you. File the copy and give to both of
Yes.
them. Yes.
Item 40.
40, my lord. 419 and 420, charge sheet has been filed in the meantime. First, I am reading the FIR page 9. I have annexed one.
What is this?
My lord, the copy of the charge sheet. Last time, my lord has directed me.
Yes.
What is the stage of investigation? Charge sheet. That is. And in the meantime, charge sheet has been filed. Page 9 is the FIR. I, Satyaranjan Panda, so I would like to draw your attention to the incident that happened as per details given. I was victimized to an online fraud, WhatsApp number so and so, my lord. We joined the group on 23/24 and started online classes for trading related knowledge. The group comprised approximately 120 members regarding sharing stock tips and trading advice through ALEC application. Initially convincing us of its credibility, impressed by the group's recommendation. We started investment on 23/24, my lord, and ended on 25/24. I have invested an amount of rupees 28 crores 73 lakhs 8737 in phase wise, but later the fraudster did not respond.
Use fraud.
Yes, throughout
Online
throughout
fraud.
the country.
Throughout the country.
And the
Almost all to 10 to 12 states that is that is a cyber crime is there involved. Cyber.
and the
No use fraud.
and the other in
You
other
update
persons-
case diary is there? Case diary you got? Up to date
Yes,
case.
detailed case diary has not been issued. Matter on an individual.
That was the direction. Get the case diary, file the copy. Yes, immediately after vacation.
But date may be fixed. If
The
possible.
date will be fixed.
If possible.
1 minute, I'll tell you to
6th or 7th, as your lordship.
stay. 8th, huh?
8th, 7th. 8th would batch matter of court note 6.
Then see 8th, I would be sitting on 8th only.
Oh, tale
Tuesday or
8th.
Yes. Simply. Yes. I think up-to-date case diary has not yet been received by the State Council, and Mr. Jena wants to file, Ponda wants to file the copy of charge sheet. Please see that. Yes.
41. May I please, your lordship? Lordship, last occasion I have been asked to file an affidavit regarding the same has not been filed yet.
Not
For
filed.
Praying adjournment, lords.
Pursuant to the order dated 25/9/2025, the petitioner was supposed to file an affidavit, which have not yet been filed, hence he seeks an adjournment. Yes.
42. Yes, my lords. My lords, this is the second round of bail, my lords. Amount of ganja involved is 38 kilos, 115 grams. In the meantime, amount of ganja involved is 38 kilos, 115 grams. In the meantime,
Custody since
custody since 11/3/2025. My lords, other co-accused persons have already been released on bail. My lords, I'm just giving the copy.
Antecedents?
Nothing, my lords. No antecedents.
Where have you said that?
I have stated it, my lords,
38 kilos.
in paragraph number 11.
All other accused persons have been already been.
Not all other, my lords, 3 other accused persons. They are all standing on the same footing.
Who all are they?
They are, my lords, Saitu Muhammad.
Boiraj Bidikar.
Yes, my lords.
Boiraj Bidikar.
Saitu Muhammad and another, my lords, whose
Akhil.
name has not been mentioned in the bail
Akhil.
application. My lords,
Akhil.
I am not aware of it, but
Clement Suresh.
se gotti bail re di jonu milichi.
Saitu Mohammed. Saitu Mohammed is also.
Saitu Muhammad has been allowed. Ta nata reflect koruchi bail re.
Yes.
Aw jonu nata
And
reflect.
another is
Same thing, my
Monat
lords.
K. Mohammed something. And Manoj Kumar Maji.
This is the present petitioner.
Your application was rejected earlier.
Earlier, second round. After charge sheet has been filed.
38.2. Charge sheet filed on?
Charge sheet filed on 31st of August, 31/8.
Error. It is rejected. Allegation 89, 4963. BLAPL number 4963 of 2025. Order of appeals. And a para the effects of ticket. Mr. Vishnu and counsel for the petitioner submits that similarly situated co-equal persons, namely Boiraj Bidika. Boiraj Bidika, separately order Boiraj Bidika. Boiraj Bidika has been granted bail by the coordinated bench of the court by the order dated 26/9/2025 in BLAPL number 9877 of 2025. Akhil Clement Suresh, BLAPL number 3490 of 2025, dated 8/8/5/2025. Therefore, out of Saitu Muhammad 3541 of 25, dated 8/5/25. Thereafter,
Saitu Muhammad has been granted bail in 9789 of 2025.
What happened?
That copy also I have.
Give the numbers and this thing.
My lord.
Already been see. Recovery is 38.115 amount to ganja. He's in custody since 31/8/20. Sorry, 11/3/2025. Charge sheet has already been filed in this case on 31/8/2025. Mr. Vishnu and counsel for the petitioner further submits that the petitioner is not in any other criminal case. Regarding to the quantity of control
and period of custody and the statement made by Mr. granted bail. And also the fact that the co-equal persons are already granted bail. He has an normal bail subject to verification also. Give and writing. All right. Yes, number who writing to the he will give. Yes. Yes. 43.
Equal kg 100 gram brown sugar. Kg 100 gram brown sugar.
No, PS study. Yes.
44. 44, my lord, I will file the copy of the charge sheet along with other papers. But should may kindly adjourn it to afterwards.
Okay, there is that.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me.
I will file the copy of the charge sheet for
File.
perusal of my lordship.
6th.
Well, they will occur.
6th. Huh? 6th.
45.
POXO is there. Notice have issued. But service of return has not yet been issued.
I may pardon, madam. Let me complete.
But
As per FIR and the victim statement.
A notice I have issued.
My lord has noted, but the no POXO will be attracted. Page 10.
But POXO is there, I have to issue notice.
I
have already issued notice. What is the position?
No, notice has issued, the service of proof has not been written. I have talked with it, that they make some on 6th.
My lord, I may pardon.
But
I am convincing, my lord. I leave it to my lord. Page 10, as per FIR, victim is 18.
No.
And victim itself is inferred.
No,
And
that
page
is-
3, annexure 3, page 18, victim has been examined. And my lord, I'll have a glance. I leave it to my lord.
No, problem, try to appreciate the problem. Problem is charge sheet has been filed for 6 POXO.
Yes.
I can't say that POXO is not made out.
26
While granting bail.
26/11/2009 date of.
Then it has to be followed. The procedure has to be followed. What is the problem? Why service is not complete?
Service of
See, notice was issued on September.
Yes.
We can't wait like this.
Tomorrow,
These matters are coming after lot of struggle.
Tomorrow.
Team statement clearly indicated that.
Tomorrow,
can try over
till
the-
September they didn't do. Now tomorrow in the last working day, what will happen.
And in
6th in between will ensure. On 6th will be ensured.
Despite the notice was issued to the victim complainant on 25/9/2025.
Yes.
Now the IIC has not placed on record the service report. What do you say? Shall I impose costs?
No, I will on 6th I will do, because 3 POXO Act, that cannot be.
No, survey. I am not on that. Service 20 September you will not serve.
Now 25 no way should only one chance may be given that.
The council for the state submits that on 25th of September 2025. Though the letter was issued to the IIC of concerned police station for serving the victim, but the report has not yet been received. He seeks last and final opportunity. Released the matter on 6th of January. Made clear that in the event the report of service report is not placed on record on that day, the IIC of also shall appear before the court commission. Okay? If he will not give the report, then he has to appear.
Yes.
May I please the lordship?
Will ensure.
May I please the lordship? Lordship, item number 43.
43?
1 kilo 100 grams brown sugar, lordship.
That I have adjourned. January it will come. Yes.
46.
46
kg 250 gram.
46 the IO short for time because of the doctor tells me he is in hospital, so he short for time. That's
what was the criminal antecedents?
No antecedents.
That is to be
directed to verify the same by the law trial court.
But he has a problem, it seems.
Yes. With detailed photograph, there is a small kid is in hospitalized. That's why.
That's right. There was a direction that. Why have you not filed the affidavit?
No,
You should have filed affidavit.
I have taken the averment the person, not
Averment.
that the person has no criminal antecedent. And also Lordship, it may direct to the Lord Trial Court to verify the criminal antecedent while releasing.
No,
the
there are
petitioner.
two petitioners.
Two petitioners.
Where have you said that?
Lordship, in paragraph 6, Lordship, in fact, they were
Paragraph?
not involving any type of criminal antecedent in career.
Let one opportunity to be given for collect the detailed information from the
Charges
concerned.
of violence.
Having command, respect, property. Custody since
Custody Lordship, 30/8/2025.
26 kilo, huh?
Lordship.
And charge sheet filed?
The charge sheet is
ସେଇଟା କହିଲି।
9.
Oh, file charge sheet. Obviously file I'm granting, see, 26 kilos only. Subject to
Exact.
verification and all, because I am
This is
recording
up to
this. Subject to trial court will verify.
Subject to law.
Verify the same verification trial court will do it.
Yes.
Right now. Petition taking allegation petition also. On 25/9/2025, a direction was issued to the state for obtaining the up-to-date case diary and verify the criminal incident for the witness. The state council has submitted a report dated 22/12/2025, stating that since the daughter of the IO case is hospitalized, she could not produce the verification report. With that, the petitioner is in custody since 3/25/25. The recovery is only 26 kilo of ganja. Therefore, and in para 6 of the petitioners have covered as under the para 6 in view of the information and granting date subject to verification. Yeah, major. The report of police. Yes.
That's
Is that 47? 47, the POCSO notice issued. But tomorrow, so that I can, Bhubaneswar.
Sir, kindly see the order dated 9/5/25.
And I am not disputing that.
25/9/25.
I know in all
I am not disputing that. Why am I already issued? Tomorrow may be taken up.
This order, but till notice.
Tomorrow I say requesting tomorrow. In many cases, I have urgent to January because on the same day, on 29th of September, I issued notice. But he says tomorrow, let us see.
Tomorrow I will do.
Yes.
Sir, posted tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
8 million below commercial quantity and no criminal antecedent in similar nature, 115 gram brown sugar, 37 is not bad, and so far 2 cases, 13 million all magistrateable offences.
And there is two criminal antecedent.
But not similar type, that's what he is.
That is also reflected in FIR. I also
37, what he says, below commercial quantity and no similar type of incident, so 37 doesn't track. That's what he says.
Charge sheet submitted, investigation over. Custody since Miller, 24/5/2025.
24/5/25.
Yes, Miller.
And charge sheet?
Charge sheet Miller, final PR 15/7/2025. PR.
15
PR submitted.
7/2025.
Final PR submitted.
Recovery is?
115 gram of brown sugar.
115 gram.
Yes.
15 grams of brown sugar.
Right. The petition is also the petition also. The petitioner has filed in comprehensive affidavit dated 23/12/2025, inter alia narrating, inter alia enumerating the number of cases pending against him, which needs a para 14. Mr. Kondal and counsel for the petitioner submits that the 2 cases in which the petitioner is involved is not similar cases involving the NDPS offenses, and he further submits that the recovery is 115 gram of brown sugar, which is less than commercial quantity. The petitioner is in custody since
5/2025. And the charge sheet in the present case has already been filed on 15/7/2021 regarding it to the quantity of contraband recovered and the period of custody and the antecedent of the petitioner. The granted bail subject to verification. Subject to verification.
Subject to verification of the similar nature cases.
Subject to verification of similar
nature.
49, 6 POCSO, custody since 9/5/25. And statement of the victim is at page 14, madam.
Yes. Service?
Yes, madam.
Service complete?
Yes. Page 14 is the statement of the victim, madam.
Page 14, one.
Yes. They stayed together at Bangalore.
Please read it.
164 statement of the victim.
This 164 statement.
164.
That 14
Madam,
what?
madam. Page
So
14.
Victim is
17 years old.
What is this? Since the victim is this. That's a question to you.
They stayed together at Bangalore on rent.
From the above test,
And they work together.
what is he saying? Jitendra Naik mate kidnap kori nei jaitila sedina Jitendra amo ghare ita kamo but she's
They're working together.
but see the age of the girl.
17.
Possible or not, the trial court will decide.
16 below, it may be.
Let the victim be examined.
Yes,
And you
he
repeat.
is already examined, madam. This is her step.
In the case of conviction, what wrong right?
Stated 1 year they stayed together.
Then it's a case of conviction. What to do?
Madam?
It's a case of conviction. Is very meticulously stated how it has happened.
They stayed together and the
Again-
consent to the, there is no force in keeping relation.
See the age, 17 years. Consent argument you are advancing in a
All
POCSO case.
courts are considering mine.
When
17 below.
the statement was recorded, 15th of September 2025, when the
1925.
1 minute.
And the category stated that he kept physical.
May I please, Your Honor? This is a case under section 302. In this case, all the co-accused has been released on bail, and this accused stand in the same footing with all other accused persons. And most of the important witnesses have been
Is that
examined.
there?
Madam,
There? He says that all accused persons have been granted bail.
Yes,
What do you
Ex-
say?
except him.
Have you placed on record those orders?
No, madam.
Yes, Mr. Naik.
Yes.
Do you have the copies of those orders by which the co-accused persons have been granted bail?
No, sir, I have mentioned it in the bail petition, the number.
Please file the copies. Let us see whether your role attributed to
I have mentioned.
similar.
I have mentioned it in the bail petition.
Where have you mentioned?
In the bail petition.
Petition is all right, but
The bail application, the connected.
He is the main accused, my lord. Your lordship kindly go to the statement of Jugunubari.
Hey, let us see who all are on bail.
My lord.
Which paragraph you have said, sir? Which paragraph of your petition you have said that the co-accused persons have been granted bail?
I have, actually, sir, I am from Sambalpur. I have come to Devgarh today. When I came,
You have not even written in the petition, you have written in your hand. You are reading from your hand. What to do?
no, sir, I have written in the petition, sir.
Please do one thing. You file all the bail orders so that the state council will verify whether the role attributed to you is similar to that of the role attributed to the accused persons, those who have been granted bail.
That is there in the record, Your Honor.
He has to verify. We don't know who has been granted bail.
Let it be verified by the government council.
Okay, you just let the council for the petitioner submits that the co-accused persons, those who are similarly situated, have already been enlarged on bail.
Let it be verified by
He
the.
seeks parity with them. However, nothing is placed on record regarding the thing. Let the council verify this aspect of the matter. Release the matter in first week. Release the matter. First week. Please. I'll just come with it. I'll just come.
Last occasion, directing to file comprehensive affidavit. So far, petition number 1 is, he is having 1 incident and 2 is having no incidents. Charge sheet already filed. Co-accused 10 on similar footing granted bail by this court. 10,006 of 2025.
What is the offense?
20B 2B, 19 kg 500 gram.
19 kg 500 grams.
Huh?
19 kg 500 grams. Ganja. Subject to verification.
How many accused are there?
2.
2 at least.
Custody since?
Pursued since 3/9/2025.
3/9?
3/9/2025.
Petition number 2 is the outsider, that is Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, petition number 2 is outsider.
He is having no incidents at all.
No, that's right, but it has to be verified.
He also says subject to that. And then 10,006 co-accused already granted bail by this court. He is also from outside. Mohammed Isan.
No, who has filed this affidavit?
Petition 1 was sister.
But what about 2?
2 was outside. That incident nahi also reflect the same in orders.
But somebody has to, you have to give the detailed address and all. This address has to be verified. One allow court to repeat to repeat.
Mohammed Isan was same footing. See, UP was same UP he was granted bail by
file an affidavit and
10,006 already you also granted bail.
Petitioners are accused in the petition number 1, Sangram Tripathi, on behalf of petitioner 1, Sangram Tripathi, an affidavit was filed by his sister, Rasmita Das, entry
stating that no case is there, any case?
Except one case. I've given the case number. That
Where
is
is it?
Sundargarh PR case number 70 of 2025-26. And 2ACC 9 of
What is
2025.
the recovery in that case?
That case, less than 20B 2B. 16 kg 500 grams less case. I've got the copy of the order.
You got the affidavit?
No, man. Copy,
Just now received the.
Right.
I can reach level mutual out the copy.
Disclosing that he is involved in one more being Sundargarh case also so and so. Insofar as the petition number 2 is concerned, no affidavit has been filed. He appears to be from Orissa, Uttar Pradesh. Orissa, Uttar Pradesh. Let affidavit be filed on behalf of opposite party. Petition number 2, disclosing the permanent address and local surety, and the same shall be verified by the IO of the case. Lease the matter on 6th. Ada should have verified 6th. Yeah?
So far 2 is concerned, it's a liable matter.
Yes.
And 1 is granted.
Huh?
1 is granted.
No. He'll verify. What is the recovery?
Item 1, you also kindly allow, my lord.
Verify. He'll verify. 6th I'm listing it.
It will never be listed, my lord. After puja vacation jama list ho nahi. Assignment list koru nahanti. Apna RK Patnaik court mention koli nele nahi. Court number 2 old mention koli matter nele nahi. With much difficulty matter get listed. And your lordship was pleased to adjourn listed.
Even if a date is given, not listed.
No, not listed, my lord. Not listed.
My lord, once by your lordship, then it will be not listed before any other forum.
Suppose in between I'll retire, then he'll never.
Yes.
Behalf of the bar, what is taking is adjournments on specific dates.
Adjournment, yeah. It is a court, High Court, whoever.
No, High Court nahi sir. Single bench ko, honorable single bench ko. No High Court.
If assignment is not there, what can the
assignment not to again? Upon the arjun aji kolle 6th re mohat mai learn senior which kahi ek
will never be listed.
Never be listed. March bhitere asuna nahi.
March bhitere asibani sir.
My lord, recollect September masar aji asche.
He is in custody since 3/9/2020. One. And recovery is 19 kg.
D on to 19 kg 500 gram.
Recovery is 19 kilo 500 gram from 4 people. First petition number 1 to grant subject to further verification. And in so far as petition number 2 is concerned, he has to file.
And co-accused stand on similar footing already granted. 10,006, that is there on record.
10,000?
10,006 of 2025.
The co-accused, where is that? 51, no? And
yes,
co-accused
51
has already been granted.
Okay. Okay, so granted 1 and 2. I have to
2 you file an affidavit. 2 you file. Yes.
52.
Very bad.
As per your lordship's direction, I have soft copy to my lord senior. PMLA Act, there is 4 of the PMLA Act. The allegation is that, my lord, the present petitioner has given hand loan.
My lord, my instructions are, we have not registered any ECIR against these persons. And also kindly see Annex 7 FIR.
But PMLA is there.
PMLA section 4. My lord, kindly see page 7.
Yes. Yes.
Only says no jurisdiction under section 45(1)(a) to.
That's right. That's what, that is the reason I said, yes.
We have not registered any ECR. My instruction, I received instruction, we have not registered any ECR. Now your lordship is to
And
consider
state-
on schedule offense.
State what to, what do you say? Section 4, he says that obviously the police have no jurisdiction under 45. So what do you say about the merits of the case, insofar as the other offences are concerned?
There are 2 criminal antecedents, my lord. There is Padampur case number 83 and Padampur case number 317/25.
Please, then. A money lender, my lord, village money lender. He has given 2 lakhs.
50 lakhs, huh?
50,000. 50 lakh maguchi boli demand kurchi. Lakhe tanga allegation ଅଛି. For that reason, my lord, there is a extortion, my lord.
Yes.
You also kindly go through the statement of an informant.
Informant. Okay. Where is that?
Each category to stating.
Read it.
যে মোর নাম দেবজ্যোতি প্রধান
ଆଜି ତା 27/10/25 ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନିକଟରେ ଯେ ଆମର ବୟାନ ଏଇକି ଯେ 2019 ମସିହାରେ ମୋର ସ୍ୱାମୀ କରୋନା ରୋଗରେ ଆକ୍ରାନ୍ତ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ପଦ୍ମପୁର କଣ୍ଟାପଡ଼ାର ରାମଲାଲ କଣ୍ଟା ପିତା ଦେବଦାରୁ କଣ୍ଟାଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ମୋ ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ପାଇଁ 1 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଆଣିଥିଲି। ଉକ୍ତ ଟଙ୍କା ବଦଳରେ ଆମର ଏକ ଜମିକୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଚାଷ କରିବାକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ରାମଲାଲ କଣ୍ଟା ଜୋର ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଆମ ନାମରେ ଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ଖଳା ବାଡ଼ିକୁ ତା ନାମରେ କରିଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି, ନଦେଲେ 50 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦାବି କରୁଛି। ଯଦି ସେମିତି ନ କରିବୁ ଆମ ପରିବାରର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଜୀବନ ମାରିଦେବ ବୋଲି ଧମକ ଦେଉଛି। ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ 1 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ନେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲି, ସିଏ ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଅଶ୍ଳୀଳ ଭାଷାରେ କୁଦା କରିଲା ଏବଂ ଗାଁ ଦାଣ୍ଡରେ ମୋର ଶାଢ଼ୀ ଟାଣି ମୋର ଇଜ୍ଜତ ନେବାକୁ ଧମକ ଦେଲା। ମୋର ପୁଅ ପଦ୍ମପୁର ପବ୍ଲିକ ସ୍କୁଲରେ
This is regarding Ramlal Konta.
Again, 71 years.
Ramlal Konta, he is 71 years. What about Sunil Konta? What is the allegation?
ସେଇ ତାର ପୁଅ ସୁନୀଲଙ୍କ ଘରେ ଆସି ସେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କଲା ଆଉ ମାରିଦେବ ବୋଲି ଧମକ।
ସୁନୀଲ କଣ୍ଟା ଆମ ଘର ଆସି ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କଲା।
The entire allegation is against Ramlal Konta, basically.
ନାଇଁ both ସୁନୀଲ କଣ୍ଟା।
Yes.
Custody for last 2 months, my lord. 28/10/2025.
Antecedents?
Two antecedent matter.
Two incidents.
Two incidents.
Against Ramlal or Sunil?
Against Ramlal matter.
Ramlal. Just show me. Where from you got it? Have you verified it?
ସୁନୀଲ ରାମଲାଲ ଅଛି।
Ramlal no?
So when your lordship may direct not to commit any similar offense.
Oh, good. Criminal ମାନଙ୍କୁ injunction କଣ କରିବ? Injunction order shall not work.
अरे High Court
What to do they want?
ଆଉ ଆସିବେନି।
ପଦ୍ମନାଭ Ramlal Konta. You repeat the bail insofar as Ramlal is concerned. I am giving to Sunil. Sunil, there is no direct allegation.
71 years.
That's right. Therefore, you repeat it. You may get some sympathy. The right of petitioners are breaking to so allegation is the petitioner so. You read it, informant's evidence, the statement. The state council has read out the statement of statement recorded by the police, statement of the informant recorded by the police. As per the statement, the entire allegations are primarily made against petitioner number 1. Although the petitioner number 1 is 71 years of age, but is involved in 2 cases. One of them is 2 cases, that is Padmapur PS case number 83 of 2023 under section 347, 387 IPC, reduced section 4 of Provincial Money Laundering Act. Again, another is PS Padmapur PS case number 317 of 2025 under section 126(2), 296, 79, 304, 318 bracket 4, 351 bracket 2, and section 3 bracket 5 of BNS, reduced section 4 of Provincial Money Laundering Act. The petitioners are in custody since 28/10/2025. Charge sheet has been filed?
That instruction.
Charge sheet has not yet been filed. Regarding being held to the period of custody, the nature of allegation, Mr. Agarwal appearing for the PMLA submits that though FIR is registered under section 4 of PMLA Act, but no complaint has been filed by the ED.
You have not registered ECI article.
The ED has not even registered ECI also. And he further submits that in any case, the police doesn't have jurisdiction to investigate the case of present nature in view of the bar under section 45 of PMLA. With that is it, regard being held to the period of custody, the nature of allegation against the period number 2. I'm inclined to enlarge the petition number 2 on it. Insofar as petition number 1 is concerned, liberty is granted to the petitioner to renew the bail fee for trial court. The trial court shall consider the bail fee of petition number 1, keeping in view the age of the petitioner and the nature of allegation. Okay. And dispose of. Yes.
53
May I be question, my lord? My last time, kindly see my last order, my lord. Directed my lord incident to take verify the present petitions. Direct to verify. Verify? Have you verified?
No, but kids copy.
Copy no, खाली verify. Where is the order? Where is that order? My last order. The only urgent. Gonja was not seized the present petitioner, my lord.
300
The
kg of Gonja.
present petition in constitution, my lord, more than 1 year, my lord.
300 kg of Gonja, madam.
Gonja not seized for my position, my lord. Now kindly see the page number 11, my lord. Yes, I am there.
Belongs to Andhra Pradesh.
That's the reason I said verify. No criminal antecedent is given in para number 9, my lord. You are from Andhra Pradesh, that's the problem. Have you filed affidavit? My lord, para number 9, my lord. No, not regarding antecedent. You no antecedent, my lord. Disclose your permanent address and local address and the surety, local surety. No. Otherwise, outsider never comes once bail is granted. That's the whole difficulty. My lord. Counsel for the state submit that to petitioner is an outsider. Hence, a comprehensive affidavit needs to be filed. Disclosing the permanent address, phone number, and local surety. Yeah? Please the matter immediately after the 8th. Yes.
May I please yours?
Yes.
21B and 25 of the NDPS Act, madam.
Yes.
20 gram, madam.
20 gram of
20 gram of drugs, madam. Brown sugar.
20 grams of brown sugar.
Brown sugar, but nothing has been seized from the present petitioner. Madam. You are the.
I'm not talking.
what is your name? Name is Kabuli.
And he has no any criminal antecedent, madam. And he is in custody since 16th September 2025. Brown sugar has been seized from the another accused, that is Titua Samal, madam. From his pocket.
It said that it is recovered from you. You were in the rickshaw.
Madam, I was the driver of the auto, madam.
Yes.
Well, I will obtain the case diary, madam.
Sorry?
I will not obtain the case diary, madam.
Case diary is not obtained, huh?
Madam,
Let him call for case diary.
madam,
Let him call for case.
16/9/2025 ଅଛି, madam.
16/9?
16/9/2025 ଅଛି, 20 gram only, nothing has been seized from the present petitioner, madam. And in between, madam, charge sheet has
Antecedent is also not.
no criminal antecedent. My submission may be recorded, madam. No similar criminal antecedent.
Submission, no. You have to say something.
Madam,
Thereafter, you move application. I know.
That is page number para 7. I have mentioned,
Where say
madam.
that?
Para 7, your lord. Para 7.
That's the whole difficulty. You people move application thereafter. Yes, what do you say?
Man, last chance.
20 gram, madam.
Whether conscious position is there or not, you tell me. Matters are not being listed. What to do?
Recovered one polythene packet containing 20.1 grams of.
His name is Kabuli. So tell me. If you have evidence, you tell me.
No, man, there is no case diary.
Get some instruction. You say something. Keeping quiet will not help. See, the matters are not getting listed. These people are being harassed. What to do?
In the rejection of the matter, it is in category.
And you people simply say that case diary is not there, adjourn it. At the cost of somebody's liberty. You can't do like that. Then I'll simply record that State Council is not able to obtain instruction and grant bail. Otherwise, see, once I adjourn it, this matter will never come.
Charge sheet has been submitted.
So show me, tell me something.
Uh,
Charge sheet submitted. What is the allegation? What?
My lord,
Do you have the copy of charge sheet?
kindly glance the page number 18
Do
here.
you have the copy of charge sheet?
No, my lord, charge sheet, but
What
file.
do you have then?
FIR copy, my lord.
Only FIR.
FIR copy. Charge sheet already.
Just
filed.
try and get it tomorrow. Charge sheet.
One submission, madam. Page number 18 here, lord, sir. Page number 18.
The problem is charge sheet is filed. Nobody has the copy of charge sheet. On the basis of FIR, I'll decide. Something else might have come in the charge sheet. I don't know. At least show me charge sheet copy. The whole difficulty is that. If charge sheet is not filed, I can rely upon the FIR. Once charge sheet is filed, at least the court is entitled to know what is the allegation.
Tomorrow, my lord, I will.
Once charge sheet is filed, you have to place it on record. Yes. Yes, next.
55.
Obligers.
Hey, please, item 55.
Copy of charge sheet. That you will place on record the copy of charge sheet. Yes.
Item 55. Leopard skin was seized from the under construction house of the petitioner number 1, my lord. On his confessional statement, petitioner number 2 was implicated in this case, my lord. They are in custody since 21/10/2025, my lord.
How many of you are there?
2 petitioners, my lord.
Two
Yes.
petitions are there.
Yes.
Leopard skin was seized from the under construction house of the petitioner number 1, my lord.
Hmm.
On his confessional statement, petitioner number 2 was implicated in this case, my lord.
Where from I'll get this?
My lord, in PR, my lord, page 12.
Page 12.
My lord.
Hmm.
Third line, my lord.
Yes.
Appropriate petition Sri Rabindra Tudu, petitioner number 1, so and so, newly constructed house which is found a leopard skin, my lord. This is a newly constructed under construction house, my lord, from the petitioner number 1.
About 12 p.m. with information regarding the illegal possession. Leopard skin, so
No criminal antecedent.
So we did it through the spot. This is meant for selling it. You wanted to sell it.
My lord, as per the allegation, this is the purpose of the leopard skin is selling, my lord.
For the purpose of selling.
In the meantime, charge sheet was submitted on 20/12/2025.
2020?
20 December.
Final PR has been submitted.
Final PR submitted. They have no criminal
Custody since?
antecedents.
Custody since?
Custody since 21/10/2025.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Final PR has been submitted.
Huh?
The lordship can go through the.
Yes. What is the name of this?
One Rabindra
Tudu and
second one is
Manua Hemram.
Hemram.
Manua Hemram.
Manua Hemram.
And final PR has been submitted.
To show the prospective buyers. The admission during the interrogation and recovery of clothes and video view from his mom. When the charge sheet was filed, charge sheet is filed on
December
2012. When it was rejected, 2012.
Final.
See, in so far as the first accused is concerned, there is no direct evidence. In so far as the second is concerned, there is direct evidence. First I'll allow, second you repeat. Right on. Petitioner is accused. 1 minute. Otherwise I'll have to reject both.
Sorry.
I read it, therefore I'm saying. Petitioner is accused from so. Petitioner from so. After investigation, charge sheet has been filed in the present case on 28/2025. The petitioners are in custody since 21/10/2025. The trial court rejected the bail application of the petitioner by order dated 14/11/2025. Therefore, in so far as the appellant petitioner number 2 is concerned, I am not inclined to enlarge him on bail. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner number 2 to renew the bail fee before the trial court. The trial court shall consider the bail fee by taking into consideration the material available on record, which has been placed by the police after the investigation. And so far as petitioner number 1 is concerned, it appears from the, what is this you have shown me? From the inquiry report, that except the confessional statement, except his confessional statement, no other material is brought on record. The investigation, it appears that the investigation revealed that the house where the leopard skin was seized was belonging to petitioner number 2, who is the brother-in-law of the petitioner number 1. The petitioner number 2 has asked the petitioner number 1 to show the leopard skin to the prospective buyer. And this has been apparent from the confessional statement of both the accused persons, since the position of the leopard skin was with the petitioner number 1, and petitioner number 2, petitioner number 2 and petitioner number 1 has been getting out the instruction for petitioner number 2. I'm inclined to enlarge the petition number 1 on bail. Bail to verification. Yes. 56.
May I please, my lord? It's relating to supply of Mahaprasad. There are 2 accused in this case. One is Tapos Ranjan Parida, who used his laptop for the purpose of purchase of a domain called sriprasad.organization from GoDaddy for online booking of Mahaprasad. The domain is Sri Prasad Organization. It's an admitted case. Tapos Ranjan Parida had purchased this by using his own laptop. But in that, my lord, my phone number was given. I am associated with that fellow. I am not running away from that because we are Swala Bhenai. And secondly, on the
Manas is your
brother-in-law. He stays at Bangalore. I stayed at Bhubaneswar. And this was generated from Bangalore by using his own laptop. That's the case of the police in the investigation, my lord. Now, on the FIR was lodged by the OSD security on 22nd October 2024. There was a call from the police station to me on 24th that this has been done. You land up yourself in trouble. To me, not to him. And immediately thereafter, within no time, it was removed. So no one on the basis of that is induced to deliver or spare anything. And the main accused had been protected by this honorable court, my lord.
Your brother-in-law?
Yes, interim order. And I am in custody since 8/11/2025, my lord. This is the order, my lord. He had been granted interim protection.
According to you, nobody is infused.
Sir, gutte paisa collection hai, sir. On the basis of inducement, someone is supposed to deliver, my lord. Deliver or spare something. Then it becomes an act of cheating.
Let us see the allegation. Where from I'll get those allegations?
CD sir.
Yes. FIR, just see.
Sir.
Investigation is completed. Charge sheet filed?
No.
Okay. Let us see the allegation.
Sir, with due respect, sir, sir, page 11.
Yeah, I'm reading it.
Sir.
10. Huh? It starts from, okay. 11, yes.
Sir.
With due respect. Huh?
With due respect, I bring to your kind notice that on 22nd 10/2025, it came to my notice through different TV channels, social media, that some unknown person has made advertisement for supply of Mahaprasad of Sri Jagannath Temple Puri through online. Sri Jagannath Temple Administration Puri has not given any authorization to anybody for online business of Mahaprasad of Sri Jagannath Temple Puri. This type of advertisement gives a misleading picture in the mind of the general public, as a result of which the image is sensitive. This is the allegation. It was investigated upon. It was found that Tapos Ranjan Parida, by using his laptop, he purchased a domain called Sri Prasad .organization.
Sri Prasad
.organization. So it is akin to Mahaprasad, my lord.
Sri Prasad
Sri Prasad .organization.
organization.
Sir, from GoDaddy.
This is the domain name. Huh?
From GoDaddy, by paying 1453 and money receipt which stands in the name of Tapos Ranjan Parida has been seized by the police. That money receipt stands in the name of Tapos Ranjan Parida.
He has paid for to the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And the laptop he uses, and he purchased the domain, and where my phone number is given, my lord. My phone number is given, and I am saying that
You are near at Jagannath.
sir, mu relationship ko chi sir, ame soda bani. I am not running away, sir.
Using the phone number also.
So all right, God will take care of him. Don't worry.
It's a deplorable conduct, my lord. It's a dishonest behavior, my lord. Due respect, my lord. Extremely dishonest behavior, my
You
lord.
don't leave God also
That's
for cheating people.
In the name of God.
sir. It remained in the air for 2-3 hours, my lord. It was immediately removed, my lord. Immediately removed on 22nd itself, my lord.
It was when, can you give me the timing when it was open and when it was
No, that is the case of the Pulimala.
Do you have any idea?
I had the
He said
privilege
that
of going through the
3 hours only the
and sir,
website was open.
no one has spared anything, my lord. Your lordship can record my statement. No one has delivered anything. No one has spared anything, my lord.
Petitioner is accused so and he is in custody. It's 8/11/2025. Okay.
Your lordship can go through the statement of Dispoja Patnaik.
This is he accused himself. What does he say?
ମୁଁ ମୋର ଶଳା ଅନଲାଇନରେ ମହାପ୍ରସାଦ ବିକ୍ରି ପାଇଁ ଏକ ଫୋନ ୱେବସାଇଟ ତିଆରି କରିବାକୁ ଫୋନରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଥିଲୁ। ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶ୍ରୀପ୍ରସାଦ .organization ନାମରେ ଡୋମେନ୍ କିଣିବା କଥା କହିଥିଲି। ମୋ ଶଳା ତାଙ୍କ ନାମରେ ଗୋଡେରୁ श्रीप्रसाद.com ନାମରେ ଡୋମେନ୍ 1455
Idea, he has given the idea, he has done everything. That's what he says. Allegation. Yeah. A complaint was filed by the Sri Jagannath Mandir office, OSD security of Sri Jagannath Temple, Puri, on 22/10/2025 inter alia making the following complaint. Mr. Sarma, letter counsel for the petitioner submits that the principal accused, who is the brother-in-law of the present petitioner, has been protected by this court by an interim, by granting interim concession under section while allowing the application ABAPL number 13344 of 2025, while order dated 26/11/2025. He further submits that the Tapos Ranjan Parida, the accused, has purchased a domain named Sri Prasad .organization from paying
GoDaddy, my lord, from GoDaddy.
GoDaddy, yeah.
Sir.
From GoDaddy. What is GoDaddy?
It's a platform.
Platform.
Sir.
GoDaddy platform. By using his own laptop and paying from his own account. Has he paid from his own account?
Yes, sir. Money receipt stands in the name of Parida.
The petitioner's phone number is displayed in that website. He further submits that immediately after the social media and the TV flashed this issue, flashed this issue of news, they withdrawn it within a couple of hours, and none of the what do you say? None of them.
Your lordship can say devotees, my lord.
No, none of the devotees have booked.
नहीं sir, कई profit earn करना थी because we didn't.
None of the devotees have booked also.
No, yes.
None of the devotees have booked.
Spared anything, yes.
No profit was earned from
the website which was open. And the petitioner is in custody since 8/11/2025. Charge sheet has not been filed. Investigation is still going on. Therefore, the petitioner is granted bail subject to the petitioner cooperating with the investigation, and if will not appeal in court with investigating officer as and when required to be appeared, is bail shall be pension. Okay, on the application of court. The prosecutor.
57.
May pardon.
Yes.
Item 51, second petition, example, somebody from his family can, I'm filing a affidavit in court of that he is having no affidavit.
I have already passed. I can't go reverse.
No incident.
File the affidavit. Let us see. Yes, next 57.
57.
Yes. I kept him. Yes.
May I please?
57.
Last time I was directed to submit the copy of the charge sheet. Who accused Pasant Vishwas has been granted bail by the Honorable Court.
Have you got the charge sheet?
No, my lord.
CD?
No, my lord.
I am giving the copy of the charge sheet. And the stolen and the co-accused by bail order I have annexed, my lord.
Who are you? What is your name?
Basanti Vishwas, page 19, annexed.
Yes. Check it up. I'll take it 2 o'clock. Read it now. He has given it. Just see. Pass over. You should have given little early. Yes, let him read. Huh? Please read it. Huh? Yes.
The 8.
Petition like your husband, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship directed to serve the deposition of already deposition.
304B.
302, 304B, my lord.
Yes.
Allegation against the present petitioner, father-in-law, mother-in-law, all are transferred to the district.
Your husband, huh?
My lord, husband.
Your husband.
In custody.
What about the father-in-law, mother-in-law? They got the bail.
As per my instruction, 41 mainly.
Acha, ठीक है. 41 notice.
Date
Yes.
of arrest 1/4/2024, my lord.
Hmm.
In the meantime, my lord, charge sheet filed 28/7/2025, my lord.
28?
28/7/2025.
2024?
My lord.
24. Okay.
My lord.
Now evidence is being recorded.
My
It
lord,
seems.
evidence already recorded and independent witness are examined by the prosecution. My lord. All the independent witnesses, my lord, hostile, my lord. And my lord, kindly see the rejection order, page number 16. Mention the trial court, my lord, who are examined PW 1, 2. My lord.
But see, it was rejection order is up to July 2024.
Right.
Thereafter, all witnesses are examined. You have to repeat the application before trial court.
3/9/2025 rejection order.
Huh? Where is that? No. It's
Page
rejected on 29/7/24. Oh, no, 3. Yes.
3.
Subsequently, yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Page number 16.
Yes. Do you have deposition copies?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
My before starting my learned friend, brother, your lordship, here my learned senior relying the PW 6 witness will examine. My responsibility, lordship, till date, star witness informant, this is mother of the deceased, and another independent witness not been examined. That is my responsibility, lordship. Therefore, lordship, my learned senior starts.
PW? Sorry,
mother-in-law.
Informant.
Mother, this is mother and independent witness, lordship, that is Benudhar.
No, informant is the mother, huh?
Yes, sir. Mother is the informant.
And independent witness.
Independent witness.
What is the name?
Mother's name is Josna Sahu, your lordship. Our independent witness, your lord, neighbor, independent witness, that is Bhatta Krishna, your lordship. Till date, they not yet been examined, your lord. They are the star witness to the.
Let them be examined.
Yes, lord.
The evidence.
But
total, how many witnesses are
23 charge sheeted witnesses, your lordship.
23 charge sheeted witnesses.
My learned friend.
Witnesses have already been examined.
Yes, your lordship.
However, the informant Jyotsna, what is his name?
Josna Sahu, your lordship.
Jyotsna Sahu.
Mother of the deceased.
An independent witness, Bhatta Krishna Sahu, has not yet been examined. Therefore, the learned counsel for the state submits that till these two important witnesses are
They are witnesses also.
the bail application may not be considered, at this stage. Regarding head to the statement made by the state council and the fact that the informant and the independent witness has not yet been examined, I give liberty to the petitioner to renew the bail application before the trial court after the examination of the important witnesses, namely the informant and the independent witnesses. And it is expected that the trial court shall preferentially examine the aforementioned two witnesses, maximum within a period of 3 months. With this liberty, the petition is disposed. Yes, next.
So after action is in the meantime exam
No, I have given, you repeat, after these witnesses are examined, informant and
independent witness in April.
renew the bail plea. I have given within 3 months, it has to be done. Yes.
live or
No, pending, it will never come. Neither you can, thereafter you have to mention it to withdraw it, so that you can repeat it. This is happening, I know. And the most embarrassing situation for a court is, counsels are coming and saying that it has become infructuous because our clients are got acquitted. We are not able to decide bail application.
My matter, I ask for my.
This is what is happening. Just this is what the people are getting acquitted. We are not able to decide bail application, regular bail.
After vacation, instruction in the meantime.
No. This attitude has to be, stopped somewhere. You have to finish it up somewhere. Yes, next.
59.
59.
Instruction was sought for.
59, I have already obtained the instruction. Before going to the instruction also, I will submit. Lonely and trial court, the petitioner not paid for an interim bail. However, now the praying for bail before the Lonely and trial court. As per the registration order, I have find out that impugned order, Lordship. But however, here is the present petitioner seeks for an interim bail on the health ground. And I have also,
Whose health ground? His own health ground.
One man.
Yes, your Lordship.
Unable to move, there is an
But,
infection in the foot required for operation. Was admitted in DHS after some days.
You are local or outsider?
Local person.
Okay.
And mine bail application itself for interim bail only.
but here is the interim bail. But before the Lonely court has praying for an.
Have you verified it?
Again,
Yes, I have obtained the instruction.
Found to be genuine.
Before the Lonely court has verified the Puri where the accused Rajesh Kumar Puri.
You tell me 1 month, 2 months, what do you want?
Your Lordship,
What is the nature of disease?
Nature is 30.
No, disease. Sorry.
The fracture, Godores, there are operation. That is
amputation. Amputation of what?
No, your Lordship, amputation, there is no amputation. Only there is an infection somewhere. It is 2 weeks.
Moved with assistance of any other inmate.
What kind of operation is required to be done? Accordingly, I'll decide 1 month, 2 months, whatever.
1 month.
1 month. Okay. By the order dated 17/12/2025. Direction was issued to verify the medical documents placed on record seeking interim bail. The IIT Baliaponda, yes, sir. But a report dated 22/12/2025 has stated that the medical documents placed on record by the petitioner is true and genuine. Petitioner is in custody since?
Since 10/1/25. 10th January
2021. When Mr. Dwivedi had counsel for the petition, the new proceedings received the petition for regular bail. However, insisting for interim bail in view of the critical medical condition. Regarding it to the report dated 22/12/2025 and period of custody from 10/1/2025, the petitioner is granted 1 month interim bail to attend the medical emergency and subject to the conditions to be imposed by the justice court.
Only one prayer, my lord, 1 month from the date of release.
1 month from date of release.
My lord, may I?
Yes.
At 12:30 it was fixed. My lord, my friend is also here.
59, 59, 60 onwards after lunch. 60 onwards after lunch, huh? You start another 10 minutes, you can. Yes. Yes, item 67. Yes. Yes.
69.
No. After lunch, I'm taking up that Passover item for 10 minutes.
The FIR was registered on
Which item?
22nd September 29, 2009.
Yes.
I'll just see the FIR. This is at phase 85.
85.
Phase 85.
You tell me what is the issue?
My lord, what happened? The FIR was registered on the basis of an inspector of police from Cuttack Vigilance Cell. FIR was, the complaint was made to Baleshwar Vigilance Cell. And Baleshwar Vigilance directed the matter to be investigated by a police under PCA. My contention is, as per the section 17 of the PC Act, inspector has no jurisdiction. It should have been investigated by DSP or ACP.
I think on read the order dated 13/11/2025 passed by me. I have flagged the issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it up. Para 2.
Facts and stated more fully, grounds taken.
Para 2, read it.
The facts stated more fully and grounds taken in efforts.
No, para 2, 13/11/2025. Order.
The sole issue raised by the petitioner in the petition is that government of Odisha in Home Department by notification.
Mr. Marana, do you have
Yes,
the
ma'am.
order? Yes. The sole issue raised by the petitioner in this petition
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that the government of Orissa in Home Department by notification dated 7/8/2004 empowered the business department to investigate into various types of offences.
That's right.
Described in the schedule therein, but the offences under MMDR Act was not included. When the matter stood thus on 22/9/2009, the FIR was registered before Vigilance PS against the petitioner for alleged commission of offence punishable under section so-and-so of MRDA so-and-so, punishable so-and-so. By taking me to annex 8 seal, Mr. Pathan and counsel for the petitioner submits that the notification dated 7/8/2004 has been amended by a separate notification dated 2010. It was amended.
Yes, ma'am.
Where MMDR Act has been
Included.
brought into the notification. So therefore, before the amendment has taken place, the FIR was registered on 22/9/2009. So therefore, you say that it cannot be investigated.
That's number one, ma'am. Number two, even if it was registered, then the gentleman who was the inspector, he could not have been investigated this case because of the bar under section 17 of PCA.
Okay.
Number three, the SP Vigilance Baleshwar cannot investigate a officer of Cuttack Vigilance to investigate the matter. Because, my lord, if we go by as per the scheme of section 154, the officer of the police station can investigate either himself or subordinate to him. The complaint was made to Baleshwar Vigilance, and as per the notification, office of SP Baleshwar is having jurisdiction over Mayurbhanj and Keonjhar, which was the mines where the things has taken place. Therefore, complaint, it's all right, complaint can be made by anybody. But the officer who can investigate is either he himself or any officer subordinate to him.
Yes.
That is my number one. Therefore, in any case, the Cuttack.
What are you challenging? You are challenging the entire prosecution.
Yes, because the investigation, the FIR is itself bad in law.
Cognizance has been taken.
Cognizance has been taken, madam.
Have you challenged that order?
We have challenged unsuccessfully because charge sheet was.
That's the problem. The cognizance is taken against you under section 22 of MMDR Act. You have challenged it and unsuccessfully. What to do?
No, my lord.
Can I recall that order?
No, not recall, my lord. But my lord, my lord have a judgment of HN Hisbud versus Union of India.
Yes.
In the same. Don't copy it.
Which paragraph?
My lord, here also in this case, it was a case under PC Act. In this case also, there is PC Act as well as MMRD Act. The case was investigated by inspector who was not authorized. My lord, just turn to page 12 of the last 3-4 lines, my lord.
But that is 156(3).
No.
Read it, read it. The argument advancement.
No, my lord, the last,
Para 12, no?
This last 3-4 lines, sorry, my lord, actually,
Para 12 of this judgment.
if there for cognizance is
Same judgment you are reading.
Yes, my lord, that actually.
No, you can take it. You are underlining. You give me that.
Actually, my lord, this is SCC because I don't have that.
Give me that. I have no issue.
The difficulty is this is not SCC. This is Manu Patra. They have that.
Okay, paragraphs are
there. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
But my lord,
It starts from which line?
12, para 12. The argument advance is that section 5(4).
Argument advance
is that section 5(4) and proviso to section 3 of the Act are in substance and in effect in the nature of an amendment of the proviso to section 156(1) of CRPC. Therefore, if you go by that, my lord, last
para 10 here, para 10.
Here, my lord.
Yes.
Then last 3-4 lines, my lord. We are therefore clear in our opinion that section 5(4) and proviso to section 3 of the Act and the corresponding section 5A of Act 59 of 1952 are mandatory and not directory, and therefore the investigation conducted in violation therefore bears the stamp of illegality. And my lord, if once the FIR is declared to be wrongfully registered.
My question is something different. My lord. All these points were available to you. No, at the time of cognizance.
No, my lord, at the
you
time of
allowed the cognizance to be taken against you, and you challenge that in this court also. And the cognizance order is upheld.
No, my lord, cognizance.
Now evidence is going on, it seems.
No, cognizance. At that time, I withdrew it, saying that I will agitate all the issues before the
trial court.
Trial court, my lord.
Okay, you at the stage of framing of charges. And then he argued. Charges were framed.
Charges were framed.
And thereafter evidence is going on.
Yes, ma'am.
At this stage, I will unsettle everything. That's the difficulty. You may have these points.
No, but
how to go about it?
But my lord, if in this case also, if my lord, the same thing happened, and my lord,
you say at this stage is important.
Yes, ma'am.
Points maybe can be considered at the final stage,
but here, my lord, in this case, this was not considered because the trial was over. Therefore, the Supreme Court says, though it is illegal, because trial is over, will not disturb the finding on this ground.
The same, more or less the same thing here.
No, but here, my lord, trial is not yet over. And now,
how many witnesses are examined right now?
Your lordship, kindly come to para 7 of my note.
Your note, you have filed the note. You have also filed a note. This is the note you have.
Madam. Para 7.
Yes.
CRLMC 1661 of 2012 was filed, assailing the prosecution and order of cognizance, wherein one of the issue amongst other was that the Vigilance Department is not authorized or the competency of the Vigilance Department to investigate.
Yes.
Then, which was dismissed.
There also, apart from cognizance, the entire prosecution.
Then your lordship, I am coming to that. Which was dismissed with the liberty to file discharge petition. Then para 8, Criminal Division 518/2007 was filed challenging the rejection order of a discharge, wherein one of the issue amongst the other was that the Vigilance Department, authority of the Vigilance Department was challenged that, the pertinent issue. The same was disposed of by order dated 18/4/18 as charge was framed during pendency. 9, para 9, Criminal Division 365 of 2018 was filed by the petitioner challenging the order of framing charge as well as entire criminal proceeding on self-some grounds, wherein one of the issue among the other was Vigilance Department is not competent or competent of the authority to lodge the complaint, conduct of investigation and a vigilance filing charge sheet. The said division petition was dismissed by the order dated. This court finds no such illegality or impurity in the impugned order warranting any interference. However, the petitioner is at liberty to raise all the contentious in the trial. That was not assailed. The lordship got it.
In the trial.
No, my lord, there are two issues.
Tikke, sir. 2009, February 2019, the order was passed. It was not assailed. Then your lordship kindly come to para 10. Once it has not been assailed, he admitted he has to face the trial and raise all the points, whatever the competency so far as the judgment, my lord senior is lying. That is there. That the investigation, the illegality of investigation, improper.
Everything can be raised in the.
That
during
it
trial.
cannot, it can be raised during trial.
Right, yes.
Then another aspect is the competency or jurisdiction part is concerned. In your lordship kindly see, that was challenged, initially it was challenged in earlier petition. Then another challenge was filed before this honorable court on to challenging, asserting the same ground, along with other additional ground that Department of Proceedings has been exonerated. Your lordship has passed a reasoning order culminating all the principles, which has again in recent judgment that has been confirmed by the Honorable Appeals Court referring to Ashu Surendra Tiwari.
That was challenged in the Supreme
No,
Court.
that was not challenged. In another prospectus, that was challenged. There are two issues. One was competency of the authority according sanction. Another was whether the exoneration in departmental proceeding, the criminal proceeding will passed automatically or not. That my lord was held that no, there is a separate forum, and your lordship's view was there.
Appelled.
That was open. So another issue was there, the investigating investigating officer, the IO and informator same person, that has been settled by the Honorable Appeals Court in constitutional bench judgment, that cannot be ground for interference. Another aspect, so far as now they are coming from at the stage when the evidence is under the 21, so far as the competency 21 MMDR Act.
My lord, I am not on 22 MMDR, that I am on a different thing. What I am saying,
if it is not
one is cognizant, the authority of vigilance police to register a case under MMDR, that's a different issue. And that's rightly, I will argue on that. But my primary question is, once you have registered a case under Prevention of Corruption Act, Section 17 bars you that there are certain kind of officers who can investigate the case. And admittedly,
the problem with you today is you may have a good point, but the problem is you have repeatedly came.
No, my
up
lord,
to the court.
these
And
two are
finally the court says that.
my lord, I have also annexed the entire judgment.
No, you have challenged the entire prosecution.
My lord, I have the different
entire proceeding you have challenged, and thereafter the court says that you have to raise all these points during trial only. That's what the order. This order has attained finality. You have not challenged that. That's the whole difficulty. How will you get over this order dated 15 to 2019, where the very specifically it says, however, the petitioner is at liberty to raise all.
What happened, my lord? What happened, my lord? This
and what are the
development
contents? Show me the revision petition 365 of 2018. Whether these points we have specifically taken or not. If you have not taken, then I can 365 of 2018 revision petition, criminal revision.
My lord, I have that is at page 10, my lord.
Enough for your
judgment.
note.
Where
is your written note?
My lord, just I went to.
This is the problem.
This is the. My lord, this is the only the order, my lord. They passed in 365.
May I clarify one thing, my lord?
Yes.
So far as the superintendent of police is concerned, that has been stated in the act. By special gazetting notification, inspector of police, because due to lack of deputy DSP in the rank of DSP rank officers, then inspector of police has also been authorized to conduct investigation so far as vigilance cases are concerned. There is a special notification, and that matter has also been challenged before this honorable court in several petitions that this court was not entered. And another I'm failing to remember that judgment. There, my lord has also held that the competency of the investigation, the defect in the investigation, in number of cases also, not defects in the investigation.
Apparent prejudice is not there, then you are not.
Whether he is prejudiced or
that has to be demonstrated on record then.
The trial.
My lord,
prejudice,
my lord. If I will say, my lord,
16 witnesses have already been examined, and at this stage, again same issue without.
No, my lord. This is not the same issue. My lord,
it amounts to review of the earlier order.
No, my lord. I with all respect, my lord. Let us see the chapter 5 of the PC Act. Persons authorized to investigate, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure, no police officer below the rank of, in case of Delhi Special Police Establishment of an inspector of police, in the metropolitan areas, this is ACP, elsewhere, of a deputy superintendent of police or a police officer of equivalent rank shall investigate any offence punishable under this act. Now, what is shall? without the order of the metropolitan magistrate or a magistrate of the first class, as the case may be, or may arrest thereof without any warrant, provided that if a police officer not below the rank of an inspector of police is authorized by the state government in this behalf by general or special order, he may also investigate any such offense without the order of MM. Now question is, where is that order? Neither is general special order in this case. That investigation should be done by the inspector.
Emphasizing it's 17.
So, my lord, 17 of PC Act, my lord.
That's right, but 17 which
17C.
C.
Provided, you know.
Provided.
The police officer not below the rank of inspector of police is authorized by the state government in this way by general or special order. He may also investigate any such offense without the order of the metropolitan magistrate. And we have special notification is also there.
Where is that notification?
That notification there, if Lordship will permit.
So that notification, this is argument.
And any
My lord, in any case,
particular
there is a special authorization.
No,
general
my
notification is
my
there.
lord, along with the charge sheet, there is no notification. With all
Charge sheet
There is
can't
a
be
notification, it's a
My lord,
public document.
my lord, as per our understanding, my lord, there is no such notification because we could not find anything of that specific notification.
There is a special notification to that.
No,
effect.
that is my lord, but where is it?
Bring that notification.
I'll bring that.
Huh? Bring that notification. If that notification is there, then
Then it does not survive, my lord. That's then other issue, my lord, is that let us, my lord, examine 154 for a minute. Now, question is whether an SHO of a particular police station direct an officer of some different police station to conduct an investigation. Because as per this scheme of thing, my lord, 154, I am reading 154C.
yes.
The police officer shall get the statement of the person recorded by the judicial magistrate under section so and so. Then, my lord, C. Then 3. Any person aggrieved by a refusal on part of an officer in charge of a police station to record the information referred to subsection 1 may send the substance of such information in writing.
Where in written note, where have you said that? Which part?
In written note, I have not mentioned that, my lord, because this is legal.
That's point you are
Then
raising 154 because it is registered somewhere else and it was transferred.
No, my lord. What happened? Baleshwar SP, Baleshwar Vigilance Unit registered the FIR. And because the complainant was an inspector from Cuttack, and it was entrusted to him for investigation. My lord, Cuttack, if you will, my lord, see the notification,
where from I'll get those things?
This notification is at annexure 8, my lord.
Annexure 8.
That is at page 121.
Yes. Yes.
First, my lord, Office of the SP Vigilance Cuttack, Revenue District of Cuttack, Jagatsinghpur, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Dhenkanal and Anugul. He was having this jurisdiction.
No, you said that it was given to the SP.
Yes.
Where from I'll get
Yes,
that?
that is in the FIR, my lord. My lord may just turn to page 83.
83.
3. Sorry.
These are officials.
Sorry, page 95.
95. Yes.
95 is the charge sheet, but before that 85 is the FIR, my lord. FIR may just see the name of the complainant and how it was directed. At page 92, the relevant portion. This is officer in charge, vigilance police, my lord. Received the report, registered Balashur Vigilance PS case number so and so, under section so and so of PC Act, Mines and Mineral Act, etc. Sri S.K. Das Mahapatra, Inspector of Police Vigilance Cell Unit Cuttack, has been directed to take up the investigation.
Super, your lordship kindly come to page 25.
No, kindly see page 92.
No, say FIR The informant was the Inspector of Police Cell Division. Cell Division has entire jurisdiction all over the state. So since the mining operation was conducting at Keunchar, and the immediate jurisdiction of Baleshwar Division was there, and the FIR was registered and it was transferred to Cell Division.
Not transfer, my lord.
No.
What? And now question is,
what he says that the officer in charge of Baleshwar, when the FIR was registered, on 22/9/2009
তা পূর্ব পাইছে
has given an endorsement that it has to be investigated by the Mr. Mahapatra, Das Mahapatra, who is
Kotak.
Kotak cell
Inspector
unit.
Police Vigilance Cell.
Vigilance Kotak sir.
Vigilance Cell.
No,
Cell unit.
but my
Cell
concern is,
it has
my
jurisdiction
lord,
cell.
how can
this
this,
partly?
my lord, the vigilance police station Baleshwar cannot usurp jurisdiction of entire Odisha?
Who said so? In any case, it has been sent to the jurisdiction having the place having competent jurisdiction to investigate. He is duty bound to accept the FIR, and he has registered the FIR and sent it to the company.
See, what he's trying to say is it's not a police station. It's
My
a
lord,
vigilance cell.
No, my lord,
Baleshwar vigilance cell.
my lord,
Your argument would have been correct had it been a police station.
my lord, the
One police station FIR is registered. That police IIC of that police station could not have given the responsibility to investigate by another jurisdiction.
my lord, let us
police.
see the
But here it is a vigilance cell, Baleshwar vigilance cell.
My
So
lord.
therefore, what he's saying is it is the entire state has one.
no, my lord, their notification does not say like this.
কোন notification?
Office of the vigilance.
Just see para. Just see the first information, the first page.
My lord,
It page that is
page 85, my lord.
85.
This is my lord Baleshwar Vigilance
is
Police
Baleshwar.
Station Baleshwar.
Vigilance PS Baleshwar.
Baleshwar. Therefore, in any case, Vigilance PS Baleshwar, the concerned authority, they could not have exercised the power of directing somebody else to investigate. I can understand if it was, as per my friend's submission, if the FIR was registered by some cell or vigilance cell of all Odisha jurisdiction or something like that. But my contention is, once Vigilance Police Station has registered the FIR.
If you see 86, page 86,
my lord,
the complainant is S.K. Das Mahapatra.
Yes, my lord.
And the Inspector of Police, Vigilance Cell, Cuttack. And care of Superintendent of Police, Vigilance Cell, Cuttack.
My lord. And that notification.
And it was handed over to him only.
Yes, my lord.
And in any
And in other case, and one interesting point, my lord. As per the notification of the vigilance, the SP Vigilance the office of SP Vigilance considered to be a police station, and head of the police station is SP. Therefore, the FIR in any case, it should have been registered, and if
But
they
see,
want,
if you see page 91,
my lord,
the Superintendent of Police Vigilance
my lord.
of Baleshwar has entrusted it. It's
Yes,
not the IO.
Whatever, but he could
It's
not.
not the IO. The Superintendent of Police has done
Yeah,
it.
that's right, my lord. He had done it, but it should have been sent to either he himself or subordinate officer, because he is exercising power, my lord. Just I have read to before.
He's sending it to different cell altogether from Baleshwar to Cuttack.
Yes, my lord. And Baleshwar has been no jurisdiction because
because the FIR was registered in the Baleshwar business, and the superintendent sent it to the Cuttack.
Cuttack, sir. The Cuttack cell has jurisdiction all over the state.
Where from I'll get it?
That is there. I'll produce that.
And my lord, this is not a question of.
In any case, 2 points are relevant. In any case, investigation has been conducted. It has been challenged time and again. And this particular point was there. He has not assailed it time and again. And law is well settled by the Hon'Ble Appellate Court in recent judgment. He cannot take.
That's there. You can't.
That's
That's there. You can't find one point and keep killing one.
But my
that's
lord,
the whole difficulty. You have many points. For every point, you can't file a 482.
I understand, but my lord, because at that point of time we took liberty of this
Then
court
there is
to-
no, but in the same time, in one of the orders, the court says that raise all the points before the trial court.
That's right, my lord.
That is also standing on the.
My lord, what happened?
This is a very point. I appreciate it. It has to be, you have to satisfy me there.
Another point is, in what way he is going to be prejudiced?
That's another point.
My lord, prejudice. My lord, now, my lord.
No, what he's
my
saying
lord-
is the entire investigation is vitiated.
Whether
Entire investigation
My
is
lord,
vitiated
challenged.
because it is not in conformity with law.
That has been challenged time and again.
But this point was challenged on.
No, my lord, no, it was never been.
It was available. It's a point of law. If this is a question of law, it was available to him and it was not challenged. What prevented him to not to challenge this? Sir?
My lord, this is a.
And he cannot come in piecemeal and
No,
then you will run
That's the whole difficulty.
It will be never ending process.
But now my lord has to set it right. My lord, for any case, because now question is, this is if somebody exercise jurisdiction without his authority, then I should not be remedialist.
No, that you are not remedialist. That's not the issue. This point was glaringly available to you. At
That's
this point, you have
My lord-
repeatedly come to this court.
No, my lord,
on many
that-
occasions,
my lord, that-
challenging the entire proceeding.
my
This
lord-
was glaringly available to you.
My lord,
You have not highlighted.
No, my lord. What happened, my lord? In criminal MC number 4103, because this, I got exonerated by the departmental proceeding. Then I filed a comprehensive petition.
Then you are sure that you will win there in that point.
No, my lord. At that point of time, this point was raised. But unfortunately, because the matter was taken with a batch of cases, and in that matter, only point decided was whether exoneration will give me.
This point was highlighted there.
This point was also there. But unfortunately,
Where is there? Show me that point, petition. Because I tagged, I flagged one issue and answered.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord. No, my lord. I am giving you that, my lord. That is at page.
Where is that petition?
My lord.
And the written note of submission you have not highlighted. Again, you will file another.
No, my lord.
That was my point also. I have my note.
Answer it.
Second, investigating officer, I was same person. In any case, it is coming under the purview of investigation. In any defect or illegality in investigation, that cannot be assailed at this stage when the trial is going on and the plea was very much available to him.
There he has to face this situation. That
Then it will never
but
be
the
processed.
entire investigation, according to him, the entire investigation is vitiated because it is being conducted by a jurisdiction which has
it has been
no authority under law.
That is his submission, but my respectful submission before your lordship, that it has been investigated by an officer of cell division having jurisdiction all over the state.
Show me that.
I will show that.
My lord, there are two issues. The cell division might have jurisdiction, but question is, can an SHO of a police station direct somebody?
It is not. That's what I said. It's not a police station.
No, that but
the department, vigilance department, they have different cell.
Notification says so, my lord.
It is not a police station.
Notification says so, my lord.
That's very sure. See, the 85 if you say it is not police station.
No, my lord.
Not PS case.
In the 95, they
general police case.
Department.
Baleshwar Vigilance Police Station.
See, police stations are jurisdictionally defined.
My lord.
But in so far as the vigilance
therefore, my
cells
lord,
are concerned,
therefore, my lord,
the jurisdictionally not.
No, my lord. 2004 notification is very clear, my lord. My lord, what may I read, my lord?
That 8 series you are reading.
Yes, my lord.
8 series. I have seen.
Yes,
I've seen it.
And the jurisdiction is very clear, my lord. Number 1, SP Cuttack, Revenue District of Cuttack, Jagat Singhpur,
Baleshwar is 3. Baleshwar is 3.
Yes, Baleshwar is 3.
And Cuttack is 1.
Yes, my lord.
Well, if it is registered in Baleshwar 3,
he cannot direct.
It can't be transferred to.
Not transfer. Transfer would have been something different.
Transfer, no, it's simply handed over.
Yes, he was directed to do investigation. And if you will go by this logic, my lord, then entire scheme of the CRPC will collapse.
This is the point you see. 8 series also you see.
I am on that.
How will you get over this?
The thing is that if your lordship kindly come to Annexure 8.
I'm there.
That is the jurisdiction area over which the SP Baleshwar has the jurisdiction. It is a illegal mining was coming under the jurisdiction of a Baleshwar district.
So therefore the Baleshwar SP should have done it. He can't throw it to Cuttack or he can't throw it somewhere else.
Because it has been registered there.
So he should have done it?
No, he cannot. Because thing is that he could have done it. Because at that point of time, your lordship kindly see that he could have done it or sold it. It has been transferred because your lordship kindly see the informant. Who is the informant? And inquiry.
I know. It doesn't mean that
informant is the cell division officer. So it was transferred to cell division because there are
my lord,
when there is big issues, there the investigation is conducted by cell division.
No, what is then the jurisdictional division? How will you define jurisdictional division? If somewhere else, investigation is going on somewhere else, and the SP can give it to why Cuttack? He could have given to someone else also.
No. Either he has to investigate himself.
That's another point. The complainant himself is from Cuttack, so therefore it was given to complainant. Joe, you go and
yes, ma'am.
No.
Therefore, he says that it's prejudice.
Prejudice means he has to show in what way he is prejudiced.
So,
My lord,
see,
in when it will
my
be shown.
lord, see why Cuttack was chosen? You will answer me.
It has been transferred to Kotak because
No transfer, my lord. There is no transfer.
because it has been entrusted to the cell because the investigation has been the informant, the inquiry officer or the cell division officer, and it has immediately registered there. That point of time it was happening. So that it was registered there and it has been transferred to because the big issues are usually investigated by the cell division.
There must
The
be
very
some
purpose of
notification.
opening cell
That is
division.
big issue.
Where is cell division? This notification is not clear about cell division.
There is no cell
Nothing
division.
of
My lord,
cell
the
division.
FIR is very clear. It says
Because there are in the entire Orissa is divided into 6 jurisdictions.
6 jurisdictions.
Baleshwar, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Sambalpur, Barampur and Jaipur. Okay.
And
jurisdictionally it is divided. If a case is registered in one jurisdiction, do the superintendent of that jurisdictional area can transfer the jurisdiction or simply handed it
can direct
some other
That
police
may
station, some other jurisdiction?
division को दे परिबेनी.
Has he done it?
No, he has transferred it to the cell division.
No, see, there is a difference between transfer. Transfer is higher authority can do it. He is heading the jurisdiction of Baleshwar. FIR is registered in Baleshwar. What he is endorsed it that it is registered here, but I am handing the investigating to investigate to the complainant who belongs to Cuttack.
Cell division.
Cell division. Can it be possible?
Any case. Suppose your lordship.
And therefore he raises 2 points. One point is jurisdictionally the Cuttack SP or the IO is barred to investigate one thing. And second is since the complainant himself is from Cuttack, it should not have been handed over to him. So therefore prejudice. So these are the two things he is raising.
So far as
lagging.
Second thing is, so far the first thing is that usually, so the big cases, they are usually registered in the jurisdictional area, SP, and it has been transferred to the cell division. That was happening usually.
But happening matter about then what is the mandate? Why does the statute does not provide them that right?
This is not the way.
Internal what is happening, let us understand.
You have not allowed the place.
Yes, there is a cell division which has all
jurisdiction all over the state.
Where from we will get it?
I'll place that notification where the cell division has been authorized to conduct investigation all over the state. I'll place that notification. Second part is concerned. Suppose the SP has given certain notes. It cannot, and the IO and inquiry officer or informant or investigating officer, same person. On that count.
Yeah, see what he's trying to say is, see the expression used in 92. You come to 92.
My lord.
Come to 92.
My lord.
Where is that? 92. If you come to 92, where is that? Yes.
Yes, my lord.
If you come to page 90, just see the 91.
91, that is
91. No, see the expression, what he's saying is maybe correct. See, it says the inspector of cell, Cuttack.
My lord.
See, listen. Inspector of cell, Cuttack, is interested to investigate the case. Okay? Now come to 8. Annex 8.
My lord.
Annex 8, there is no cell.
Yes,
Office of SP Vigilance, Cuttack.
My lord.
It is a jurisdictionally Cuttack jurisdiction he can do, but the cell is a overall jurisdiction having all over the
coming to that, man.
That's what he said.
If that is so, the Cuttack, this inspector, they could have filed a FIR with the cell division and get it investigated. Once you have
no, what he's trying to say is, see, wherever it is registered,
no, my lord, I'm a
irrespective of whichever jurisdiction out of
no, my lord. What I am suggesting, cell maybe can having
investigate throughout.
That my lord. But my question is, SP vigilance cannot direct the cell on their own if they can, because DGP is the head of the, he can say we will investigate. That's a different issue. But now there is a head of the police station directing some inspector from other police station to you investigate.
Who is subordinate to?
Who is not subordinate to him? Therefore, my lord, cell may be there. I am not, and as on date, there is no statutory.
What you are trying to say is it could have been transferred, it could not have been.
Yes, my lord.
That's what you want.
Yes, my lord.
Why are you bringing here? It could have been transferred.
Yes,
no
my
problem.
Yes, my
because cell department.
But he cannot.
Yes, but it could not have been interested under 154.
Yes, my lord.
That's what he says.
Yes, interested. He has given his note are interested.
That's the argument. Because 154 CRPC directly bars. Directly bars. You can't, a particular IIC of a particular police station cannot entrust a investigation to another police station. That is a clear bar. What he's trying to say is, had it been transferred from this to a cell, one can understand. But the SPF of that jurisdiction could not have entrusted the investigation to the subordinate officer of another jurisdiction. You answer it now. When do you want to? On 6th?
On 13th, my lord.
13th.
13th or
13th. It's a very interesting question.
Yes, my lord, my lord.
That is there. That is there. But
he has a lot of problem to.
Important thing is that
I know, and that I know. See that, but you have a lot of problems.
No, I know, my lord. What is the
this is an issue to be answered somehow.
Yes,
but at this stage it can be answered, or it has to be relegated to the right.
Competence or jurisdiction. That is
my lord. There are other issues also. Apart from this, my lord,
this is in the written note also you have not.
And I will file a comprehensive written note.
This is no written note.
No, it was just the because on the last date my friend the other point they have raised. Therefore, whatever the judgment that
exhaustive one you file.
I will file one.
You want answer?
I will file.
Yes.
Right.
Oh, like
62. But it was adjourned to today to ascertain whether the accused persons are in a position to pay the amount or not. Case the case of 420,409. But let it be taken up after vacation so that let them decide the system.
Then let it be on 6th then.
Yes.
6th, 6th, 62, 6th.
Item 7 and after
After 7. जो जाकर adjournment करकर you can very well take it, no problem. Okay.
matter was listed on 24/9/25. Old lady is in custody. Your lordship kindly see this order. Right. Maybe taken up tomorrow, my lord. $14,000 of 23 order was passed by your lordship. Same affair. Husband is concerned. He is the mother-in-law. She is 70 years old lady.
What is the offense?
Offense 306, 498-306.
The mother-in-law has been granted bail.
No, husband granted bail. Mother-in-law, as per direction of this honorable court, he has surrendered. He is in custody. He is in custody.
Okay. Custody since?
Custody, he learned 6 months.
Item 14,
May appeal, Lordship. The petitioner implicated under 20B2C NDPS Act, Lordship, and have filed the FIR copy. As per the schedule list is concerned, only 10 kg seized from the possession of the petitioner, which is less than commercial quantity.
Antecedent?
No antecedent. Subject to verification.
Outside, that's the problem.
Subject to verification and antecedent.
No, sir, you have to give file an affidavit.
I'll
write down that he will file an affidavit there and that will be verified. Thereafter he can be.
Subject to verification.
The accused and so on, okay. Allegation. The petitioner has filed a comprehensive affidavit dated 22/12/2025, in which we are stating that the petitioner's wife, not?
Yes, Lordship. Wife, Lordship.
Wife has we are stating that there is no criminal petition. Because counsel for the state, however, opposed the bail on the ground that the petitioner is an outsider. He needs to disclose his permanent address and local security. In view of the same, the petitioner is in custody since
11/11/25.
Recovery is about
10 kg, only 10 kg.
10 kg. Is granted bail, subject to condition that the petitioner shall file an affidavit disclosing his permanent address, local address, and disclosing the local security. Disclosing the particulars about local security legal surety. After verification of the contents of affidavit to be filed by the petitioner, the trial court shall commence. Okay. You have to file an affidavit there.
Yes, sir.
That will be verified and thereafter you.
Yes.
57.
57, my lord. I have given the copy of the charge sheet, my lord.
This is not incomplete, my lord. This is only name and
My lord, in the charge sheet, everything has been mentioned, my lord.
57, huh?
57.
My lord, para 16, my lord. Para 16, my lord.
That is not complete charge sheet.
What is your name? Name is Raju Sheikh. Yes.
My lord. The investigation of the case conducted so far disclosed the alleged accused Sibo was known to.
Where are you reading?
My lord, charge sheet column, brief facts of the case.
Yes.
Last page, my lord. Accused Sibo was known to inform and called informant to Malkaniri to start new business at Malkaniri.
Where is that?
Page 16, brief fact of the
No,
case.
middle.
No, first to arm করছি.
Investigation of the case conducted so far.
Disclosed that
accused
alleged Sibo was known to informant and called informant to Malkan to start new business at Malkaniri and nearby area. Then accused Sultan Singh Sibo Khora. Sultan Singh is the petitioner. Sibo Khora named.
Petitioner is not Sultan Singh.
No, petitioner is accused Sultan Singh. Sultan Singh.
1 minute, 57, no?
There are two petitioners. Another one is Sultan Singh, another is
Raju.
Raju Sheikh.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
And Bijay Basant Vishwas has been granted bail. It is alleged that the informant came Malkaneri with 3 lakhs hard cash and staying in Hotel Golden View, Malkaneri since last few days. On 11/9/2000, accused Sibo of Balimala, Sultan Singh and Sheikh Raju took informant from Hotel Garden View by giving impression to discuss about the business and visit Malkaneri. The accused persons took the informant inside jungle towards Kalimala side and called that to us. Then accused persons assaulted by means of fist blows and snatched his mobile phone and password by phone pay by putting court to cause murder and made authorized transaction of rupees 82,000. From the account of the accused persons hotel room of the informant took hard cash of rupees 3 lakhs and shifted him to Hotel Mayavanta. Restaurant accused Raju Sheikh was guarding him and was not allowed to.
Raju Sheikh was guarding him. Huh?
Guarding. On 12 an accused person Sultan Singh, Raju Sheikh and Basu took him from Hotel Valemanta by car towards village and asked to arrange 3 lakhs for his village. So all the 3 accused persons said, and I have annexed the bail order of accused Basant Vishwas, annexure 3, page 19. All were there. And Sultan Singh is local man, Raju Sheikh is outsider. I will furnish affidavit regarding correct address, phone number and local
antecedents.
So Raju Sheikh, no antecedent. And Sultan Singh antecedent, in all the cases he has been granted bail. I will furnish affidavit.
But Raju Sheikh is outside.
Outside. I will furnish affidavit of correct address, phone number, detailed address with local surety.
What happened to Sibo Khora?
Sibo Khora not charge sheeted. Sibo Khora I am not moving. Sibo Khora investigation open. Sibo Khora not charge sheeted. Only Sultan.
He is absconding.
No, he is absconding, not charge sheeted. Investigation open. Only charge sheet against Sultan Singh, Raju Sheikh and Basant Vishwas. My lord,
Basanti has been granted bail.
My lord, Basant Vishwas.
And what about Sultan Singh antecedent?
Sultan, there are 7 antecedents. All the cases has been granted bail.
In the rejection order, it has been categorically mentioned.
You are Sultan Singh, na?
Yeah, in all the cases he has been granted bail. And 2 cases he has been acquitted.
Where is the affidavit?
No, affidavit by mistake my junior typed, so
the affidavit has to be there.
Let it go tomorrow. I'll file clear affidavit.
Comprehensive affidavit to give, and insofar as Raju is concerned, you have to give an affidavit clearing his local address and local security and all these things. Then only.
Because my junior has prepared. Mistake is there, my lord. He has not written
affidavit.
Tomorrow, my lord, I will file affidavit. Tomorrow, my lord.
And file this also.
My lord, okay. Yes, sir. My lord, I may pardon as per rejection. Only offense has not been mentioned, but the case numbers mentioned.
No, but you have to give the status.
The case numbers. Case numbers and also
status.
2 cases he has been acquitted.
Whatever.
That should be. Tomorrow, my lord, I pray.
Yes.
Item 60.
60, my lord. Non-bailable offense under section 69 of the BNS, my lord. Other offense are there, my lord. As per allegation, my lord,
Due to love and affair in between, both are married person, my lord.
Yes.
Last time the lordship the के 164 statement हम दौचे victim रो सेटा बे माने clearly made out the lordship.
Yes.
Relevant person देखी viral photo टा भी police seize करছে. There is seizure list I have also given by a flag mark your lordship.
What is the name of this man? Rihan.
Custodian since 19/7/2025 my lord. The already charge sheeted in the 16/9/2025 ରୁ charge sheet ହେଇଗଲା. Petitioner man of the Pattak district my lord.
Pillar 1 minute. Pillar Manoj Kuru, video portrait, and mostly is made out what to do?
Photo भी viral ହେଇଛି ସେ seizure point seizure list ହେଇଛି.
Detail, very minute detail.
Custody since
When the charge sheet was filed?
charge sheet filed in 16/9/2025.
16/9/25. Yes, made out. I'll issue notice to the informant. Issue notice to informant. Through IAS. Through IO of the case.
Yes, sir.
Yes, next.
61. May I say the lord, sir? There, my lord, 103 allegation. The FIR is not unknown, my lord. 3 of the petitioner before lordships. There is no eyewitness to the occurrence, no circumstances also. Last seen by the family members of the. But there is allegation that 15 दिन पूर्व ମୋ ସହିତ ଝଗଡା ହେଇଥିଲା.
Call for CD.
Last
Here is a case based on the last seen theory and circumstantial evidence also. The consistent statement of the independent witness regarding there is a dispute relating a lane between the deceased along with the infant family. And there is
custody since
petitioner number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 arrested on 28/6/2025 and petitioner number 3 arrested on 22/8/2025. Charge sheet submitted, committed the case also to the
for land in there is a land dispute. I am relying the independent witness statement that there is a civil dispute and prior to incident between there is a quarrel between them. I am placing that
immediately before the
15 days before.
Immediately.
Yes. May I read you the one student statement of the one Lingaraj Pradhan who is the
relevant part?
Yes, sir. ଆଜି ତା 25/2025 ସକାଳ ସମୟ 10ଟା ସମୟରେ ଆମ ଖବର ପାଇଲୁ ଯେ ନୂଆସାହି ନିକଟସ୍ଥ ଡ୍ୟାମରେ ରାମକୁ କିଏ ଜୀବନ ମାରି ପଥର କାଠରେ ବାନ୍ଧି ଡ୍ୟାମ ଭିତରକୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରକାଶ ଥାକୁ ଯେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଅଜିତ ପ୍ରସାଦ ବେହେଦାଲ ତାର ପରିବାର ସହ ମୁତାଫାର ପରିବାର କେତେଥର ସେଇଥିରୁ ଆମ୍ବ ପଦରେ ଥିବା ବିଲକୁ ନେଇ ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ତାକୁ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର କରି 15 ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଅଜିତ ପ୍ରସାଦ ବେହେଦାର ବଡକୁ ଅତୁଲ ପ୍ରସାଦ ବେହେଦାର ମୁଥାପା ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ନାୟକକୁ ଧମକ ଦେଇ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଦିନେ ନା ଦିନେ ତତେ ଜୀବନରୁ ମାରି ମାଛକୁ ଖୁଆଇବି। ତେଣୁ ମତେ ପୁରା ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ହେଉଛି ଯେ ଅନୁହା ଗ୍ରାମର ଅଜିତ ପ୍ରସାଦ ବେହେଦାଲଙ୍କ
Okay,
ପରିବାର
last scene.
Lordship, that is the independence regarding the civil dispute, Lordship. So far, last scene is concerned, during investigation, the IO has recorded the 161 statement of the.
Let's read it.
Yes, I'm Sugyani Naik, Lordship, the Paujo, ମାନେ ଯେ କି last scene.
Yes, yes.
22/2015 ସକାଳ 5ଟା ସମୟରେ ମୋର ଦୁଇ ଦିଅର ଯାହାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଲା ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ନାୟକ ଏବଂ ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ନାୟକ ଓରଫ ଟୁକୁ ବାଡ଼କୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଧାନ ତଳି ପକେଇବା ପାଇଁ। ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟେ ପରେ ମୁଁ ମୋ ପୁଅ ଏବଂ ଝିଅ ଆଉ ଶାଶୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଯାଇଥିଲୁ ବାଡ଼କୁ ତଳି ପକେଇବା ପାଇଁ। ଧାନ ତଳି ପକେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଆମେ ସେଠାରେ ଥିବା ଆମର ଛୋଟ ବସାରେ ବିଶ୍ରାମ କରୁଥିଲୁ। ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଶାଶୁ କହିଲେ ଚାଲ ସମସ୍ତେ ଘରକୁ ଯିବା। ତ ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ କହିଲେ ତମେ ମାନେ ଯାଅ ଆମେ ବିଲ ନାଳକୁ ଗାଧେଇକି ଯିବୁ। ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ସେଠାରେ ଛାଡି ଘରକୁ ଫେରି ଆସିଥିଲୁ। ଫେରିଲା ବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲୁ ଯେ ଅତୁଲ ବେଦବାହାଲ ଅଜିତ ବେଦବାହାଲ
ଅଜିତ ଆଉ
ରୁନା ପ୍ରଧାନ ଏବଂ ବିଶ୍ୱଜିତ ପ୍ରଧାନ।
Runa means
here is the three accused person.
Vishwabhanu.
ବିଶ୍ୱଜିତ ପ୍ରଧାନ।
What about Vishwabhanu Pradhan? Two.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Two ନାଁ ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କିଏ?
ନାଇଁ ଟୁ ନାମ ବିଶ୍ୱଭାନୁ ପ୍ରଧାନ ତ କିଏ ନେଇନାହାନ୍ତି। ଏଇ ମାନେ ଅତୁଲ ନାଁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ପିଟିସନ 1।
ଅତୁଲ ଅଜିତ ନାଁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଉ ଓରଫ ଲିଙ୍ଗା ରୁନା ପ୍ରଧାନ ବିଶ୍ୱଜିତ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସେଠାରେ ଅସ୍ତ୍ର ଧରିକି ଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଆହୁରି ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଚିହ୍ନିନି। ତାପରେ ସେଟା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଚାଲିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲେ। That is the
whose statement?
That is the Sugyani Naik, the ଭାଉଜ ହେବେ deceased ର ହେବେ ଭାଉଜ।
And you read Naik, another
And
statement.
Kailasa Naik also.
Say statement like pura complete ho.
Okay.
That is the there.
Sugyani and earlier statement you read whose statement?
Important. Sugyani ର important.
ମୁଁ ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ନାୟକ मैं that one sit हाँ
earlier you read one statement.
25,025 को सकाळ प्राय 10ଟା।
Now what is his name?
That is लिंगराज प्रधान। लिंगराज प्रधान। And another statement you I am the one statement.
ଏଇଟା ତ ପୁରା ପଢିଲେନି କେମିତି ହବ? ଏଇଟା ପୁରା
Court I am replacing the court as per the court's decision there. ଆପଣ କାମ
Read it, don't argue bhaiya. I have to attend other work also. Yes.
Therefore, I am placing the one another Kailash Chandra Naik, whose one statement Kailash Chandra Naik.
Yes, Kailash.
ସେ ବି ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଗାଁର ସେ ଲୋକ କହିଲେ 25/2015 ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ରୁ ଫେରିଲା ବେଳେ ଅତୁଲ ବେଦବାହାଲ ମତେ ଦେଖା ହେଲା ଆଉ ମତେ କହିଲା ବଡ ବାପା ଯାହା ଭାବିଥିଲି ସେଇଟା ସାରିଦେଲି। ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପଚାରୁ ସିଏ କିଛି କହିଲାନି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ଯେ ରାମ ସହିତ ତାର ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଝଗଡା ହୋଇଥିଲା ଜମିବାଡିକୁ ନେଇକି। ପରେ ରାମର ଶବ ମିଳିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି ଯେ ଅତୁଲ ଯାହା କହୁଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ସତ। ସେ ରାମକୁ ମାରି ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ସିଏ ସେତେବେଳେ ରାମକୁ ସାରିବା କଥା ହିଁ କହୁଥିଲା।
Okay, but number 2 there is nothing.
And there is the confidence statement of the accused also. There is two ends.
No, about number 2.
Number 2 you also that part you also.
Vishwabhanu Pradhan.
ସୁଜ୍ଞାନୀର statement ରେ your lordship 22 ରେ ଘଟଣା ହେଲା। ସେ କହୁଛି 22 ରେ ଘଟଣା ହେଲା। your lordship କାହିଁକି ସି that is very important by that 22 ରେ ଘଟଣା ହେଲା। 22 ରେ ଆগে ସେ କହିଲା ଯେ 3 ଜଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲା ବୋଲି no FIR register.
So far I am little inclined for number 2.
My lord, your lordship,
if you want to close that chance also you tell me.
My lord, your lordship kindly see that statement. Your lordship that very statement ଯେ 22 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଆগে ଘଟଣା ହେଲା।
Last in theory.
My lord, there is no last in theory. ତାର ଆगे এটা
Sugyani, how will you
it is a bit of my lord.
Sugyani.
Totally it is a bit.
And what about Kailash?
My lord, it is
kind of extrajudicial.
My lord, all the 164 there is no 161 statement regarding this. Missing report ଆଜ୍ଞା 3 ଦିନ ପରେ ଦେଲେ। ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 15 ଦିନର ଘଟଣା କେବଳ ତା ଛଡା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା my lord ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟଟା ସେ ସୁଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଦେଇଛି ସେ କହୁଛି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଣୁ। ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଦେଖିଲୁ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂଲି ସେ କିଛି ତା ଶାଶୁକୁ କହିନି କହିଲା ଯେ ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ଯେ ରାମ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା।
Then wait, let them examine, then you will get acquittal. Wait till
that. No, my lord, that is my lord.
See that is a 302 case. You are in custody since only 1 month.
That is right.
And
since there no
last in theory is there. Earlier there was a fight between you 15 days back.
15 ଦିନ ତଳର ଘଟଣା।
And there is a extrajudicial confession.
15 ଦିନ
and you want to pay.
15 दिन ତଳର ଘଟଣା। ମାନେ ନର୍ମାଲି କୁହନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ଯଦି 15 ଦିନ ତଳର ଘଟଣା ନ
See,
ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
therefore, I am considering.
ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲିନଚିଂ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଥିଲା ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ କୁହନ୍ତି ୟୁର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ପାସ୍ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ।
So, number 2,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
consentant on number 2.
Yes, sir.
Number 2 is Biswabhanu Pradhan. Anybody has taken his name last in theory? Or any witness has taken his name? He's 19-year-old boy. What is there against Biswabhanu? You tell me.
Yes, sir.
Atul and Ajit, forget it.
Yes, sir.
Atul, Ajit, everybody has taken this.
Yes, yes, sir.
ନାଇଁ 161 ରେ କାହାର ନାହିଁ ହିଷ୍ଟୋରୀ କିନ୍ତୁ 164 ରେ ଏଇ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ପୁରେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରୀଟେ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନହେଲେ 161
List it immediately on 6th. List it on 6th. Okay.
63.
63.
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordship?
In eight case re petitioner having 14 antecedent lords. Last reason I have already placed that the 14
Yes, what do you say?
antecedent lords
Yes,
directed to
one
file an affidavit to that.
302.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, yes.
The petitioner is implicated under section 300 to 34 APC along with two other co-accused person and two CICL. In this case, your lordship, all the other co-accused person has already been enlarged on bail by the Hon'Ble court on the same set of evidence, your lordship, and remain in custody 8/9/2023, your lordship.
Sukhdev Suna.
Sukhdev Suna re 14 ta antecedent अछि mu tar details dauchi my lord and sentence expand one whether is that
There are 14 antecedents.
No, your lordship. No, 14. If you peruse the forwarding report, there is not a single antecedent against the.
Forget about forwarding report. They have got the instruction. There are 14 cases.
My petitioner name is Sukhdev Suna.
Sukhdev Suna.
Yes, Sukhdev Suna.
CD रे भी also mention mu last date रे confuse हेली confidently से कहिले mu तब CD ରୁ verify कली CD रे भी 14 पर.
See, there are 14 incidents.
CD रे verify कली page 28 रे 28 page रे mu paging कली page 28 रे.
Your lordship, my submission is that 7 witnesses has already been examined.
सेटा कोन जानते कहीं.
Please, your lordship. Please, your lordship. All the material witnesses have already been examined. 7 witnesses.
Just now he said no antecedent. When he says 14, then you are saying something else.
No, sir. There is no criminal antecedent in the record, sir.
Affidavit दियो तुझे नहीं बोली.
He has given a list of all the cases, 14 cases. I'll ask him to supply a copy and verify it.
But there is no evidence against the present case, your lordship. 3 witnesses have already been examined and turned hostile, and leading to discovery, sir, your lordship, the weapon of offense recovered from the co-accused, who have been already enlarged on bail by this honorable court, your lordship.
Let us go those cases. These the matters of the case. The copy of what is this report? The copy of instruction received by Mr. Mohanty from IIC Boripoli, PS. We supply to legal counsel for the petitioner. Yes.
Yes. 64.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship Judge, directing me to file affidavit.
Criminal antecedent.
Criminal, 2 criminal antecedent, my lord. 498 acquitted, my lord. And another case is 341, 294, 320.
What is the recovery?
67 kilo of ganja, my lord, from a car, not from the possession, my lord.
From your car. You are the owner of the car.
It is alleged that I am the owner of the car.
You are not there.
No, I am not there. Registration number found place with another person, my lord. He has give to the showroom and exchange of
custody since?
Custody since, my lord. 27/5/2025.
Yes.
That's it submitted.
From the car,
again,
the contraband was recovered. The car belongs to you.
It is no ownership is not with me, my lord. Ownership with another person. He has exchanged the car in the showroom. The showroom
has
purchase it, that's
showroom sold to another person.
from there. you purchase.
From that, they allege that I have.
But it
purchased.
doesn't stand in your.
No, there is no material.
Petitioner has purchased the said vehicle from Rudra Majhi, who has Rudra Majhi kinitla Anil Harpal to. Kintu due to Anil Harpal deha kharap haba jogu ownership ta transfer kari parla nahi.
To Rudra.
Yes.
Anil
Harpal. Okay, mu tikhe statement you lordship kindly place kar do.
I understood. It originally belonged to Anil Harpal. He sold it to Rudra Majhi. From Rudra Majhi, he purchased it, but it could not be transferred in the name of Rudra Majhi. Accordingly, in turn, it was not transferred to him. That's what your case.
Isn't
it?
Yes, that is the case.
Mozire ଗୋଟେ agency ଆସିଥିଲା. Agency.
Rudra
Majhi purchased it from the agency. Isn't it?
Yes. Tata Motors.
Anil Harpal sold it to the agency. From agency.
Actually, my lord, Gautam Mahanti is the owner. 27 last 5 line my lord.
Registered owner hochundi Gautam Mahanti.
He has exchanged car from Truti Motors my lord.
Gautam
Mahanti.
But in any case, it's not from conscious position. The vehicle was where is that?
Parking in street my lord. Park in a street my lord.
ଏଟା ସେ ଟିକେ ମୁझे ଯୋଉ ହରପାଲ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ପଢିଦେଲେ ଇଏ କିଣିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ that is there.
Conscious position ନାହିଁ, antecedent ନାହିଁ.
But factsman has purchased this vehicle as a affidavit.
Allegation in the parents also. Mr. Tripathi and Council for the persons to the order dated 18. Order, there was no order, na?
ଆପଣ ଖାଲି କହିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ affidavit ଟା loss ରେ file କରିଥିଲି.
There was a lot. Persons to the order dated 18/12/2025. The wife of the wife, na?
My wife.
Wife of the petitioner, Chiranjeevi, wife of the petitioner has filed an affidavit entering stating that the petitioner is involved in town PS case number 205 of 2015 under section 498A/294/323/506/34 IPC and reading to section 4 of DPS and another town PS case number same case.
नहीं फुलवन टाउन केस नंबर 205/2013
under section 341/294/323 IPC. Mr. Tripathi, counsel for the further submit that the petitioner is not involved in similar kind of cases involving NDPS offenses. The petitioner is in custody since 27/5/2025. It is alleged by the prosecution that the contraband 67 kg of contraband ganja was recovered from the car which was parked in a particular park in the street. And the petitioner has been made accused in the case on the allegation that the car belongs to him. However, the reading of the evidence, reading of the material placed on record reveals that in fact the car stands in the name of one Gautam Mahanti. It was subsequently transferred to one Anil Harpal. Anil Harpal appears to have been sold it to one Rudra Majhi, from whom the present petitioner has purchased the vehicle. However, since Anil Harpal, the investigation reveals that since Anil Harpal was not keeping well, so therefore the car could not be ownership of the car could not be transferred to Rudra Majhi. Accordingly, the ownership the car has been not transferred. The ownership of the car has not been transferred to the petitioner. Be that as it may, the fact remains that the recovery, there is no conscious position. The petitioner was not found to have consciously possessed the contraband ganja, and he is in custody since 27/5/2025. There is no similar offences. He is not involved in similar kind of offence. Therefore, the bar under section 37 doesn't operate in the present case, and granted bail subject to verification. ठीक है? Subject to- Yes.
65.
Well, it's on behalf of Mr. Sitikant Mishra, maybe.
Lordship, in this case, last occasion 1812 रे से गोटे आईए फाइल कले जेतु पिटिशन accused जे disability अछि तार instruction on the genuineness of the documents filed by the petitioner. What happened कंधमाल लो से माने इन पर्सन माने परमानेंट रेसिडेंट केन माने बारीपदारे से एफआईआर occurrence हला. I have wrote letter to the IAC. IAC short term 7 to 8 days time in order to ascertain the genuineness of the documents from the Kandhamal police station. Lordship.
What is the nature of
20B2 is Lordship conscious position Lordship. So
nature of injury?
No.
Injury no.
NDPS.
By C Lordship having two antecedent disability hale bi 25 27 Arms Act achi 307 achi.
So verified is
We are only seeking malats 1 month jehetu he is unable to move 1 month bhi helle.
How will you?
Because 60% he is getting pension. All the documents are government documents.
60% disability doesn't mean that he is not
disability.
committed the crime.
से जो डॉक्यूमेंट देजन तार ऑलरेडी वैलिडिटी पीरियड 7/3/2025 रु गलानी से जो आईआर देजन मुझे आईआईसी मते कोथले 7/3/2025 गलानी तो वेरीफाई करंतु से एक्सीडेंट रे कोन 2 वर्ष तळे से कोन हेचंदी किंतु 2 नंबर ऑफ एंटीडेंट
All the documents are
Similar kind of
20 बी रो ना है किंतु
recovery केते
78 केजी 940 ग्राम कॉन्शियस पोजीशन कार रे बसतिले ये
only seeking 1 month ତାହେଲେ ସେଠି ବାହାରେ ଆସିବ because of the locomotive disability ସେ ସେଇଠି କିଛି କରିପାରୁନି
what I'll do is I will ask the trial court to verify the same thing, verify the disability position.
इंटरिम बेल ला को ग्राउंड से जीवा के मु बुझी पड़ने
Health ground.
किसी ग्राउंड्स नहीं है क्या डिसेबिलिटी को कोन पळे जीवो है किसी तो ग्राउंड से देह को खराब डिसेबिलिटी को टाइम करछन देना से
a person is suffering
Has he
inside
said
the
that
custody.
I'll go for treatment or anything else?
ना सेमति किछि नहीं है आगे से गवर्नमेंट टू पाउचंदी स्टाइपेंड पाउचंदी ड्यू टू डिसेबिलिटी
Yes.
60% 70% डिसेबिलिटी अछि हम बेल ले जीवो
And rights Malabs, we are only seeking interim bail.
What
I am
try to appreciate.
Yes, Malabs.
Interim bail for what?
Yes, Malabs.
For medical treatment or anything. Disability is a disability. What to do?
I'll satisfy. Malabs, only 1 minute. See, the day-to-day works ताको बहुत problem होच. Tikke asile he will get some respite. It is not, and he is a permanent resident of Kandhamal. He is not like running away from.
Accused to get respite. No interim bail can be granted.
Yes, Malabs.
He will get respite so that
both suffer.
Tomorrow he'll move. Let him stay in 5-star. He'll get.
And he won't impede trial.
What is this argument?
And he won't impede trial, Malabs. He won't impede trial. He will appear before the trial court if
All
the
the
date
6
was-
are ordered, but interim bail, you need to substantiate interim
Yes,
bail.
Malabs. The
for
only
रिजर्विंग नो
all
करू
day-
not to deserve
revive immediately on 6th.
हां 6 रे आसु प्रोब्लेम
Yes.
66.
My lord, I am from Hon'Ble, Kachal. Is your lordship directed for the informant to appear and notice was issued and for the advocate has been engaged and he said
Informant.
already the victim are examined in this lordship that PW1 lordship in this case is
yes, already.
See, this is POXO, na?
yes yes your lordship
So therefore, notice-
confirmation receipt
Yes.
21 bar receipt करछन
Come. Receive. Anybody is appearing?
Yes, the informant advocate is here also. your lordship.
virtual
He
mode
is appearing. Yes, tell me.
So her statement is very clear, your lordship.
Show me the statement.
This
What is the
victim. I cannot say who scribed the FIR. I only put my signature on the FIR. I cannot say the contents of the FIR. I was not examined by police as per the
1 minute,
instruction.
I can't hear you.
164 टा ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ତାର
164, read it.
ସେଟା ଟିକେ
No, evidence is also-
Evidence is very clear, your lordship. I cannot say the contents of the statement recorded by the magistrate.
ଟିକେ ସରିଆ
One case is there against you, na?
No, এইটা এই কেসটা
The petitioner has filed.
File this above mentioned bail application related to Ghantapara PS 58.
under section. That mention has no criminal antecedent except this present case.
That's what I'm asking. Why should you? Yes.
Obtain instruction from the concerned police station whether any.
So he's giving affidavit. Subject to verification. Subject to verification, obviously.
Present petition conscious position, copy kg and present petition to owner of the auto rickshaw. That is
From auto rickshaw it is recovered. He was there at the time.
On the instruction of one Pittu Maji Mailo, there are two accused persons. Their instruction mu nothili boli mu statement deji. Srikant Naik. Poor auto rickshaw is subject to verification of antecedent man.
সেটা আগে 37 বার হবে না তারপরে সাবজেক্ট টু ভেরিফিকেশন
Antecedent বার হেলে 20 কিলো তো 100 গ্রাম হেলে বার পুর
এক্সক্লুসিভ কনফিউজ পজিশন
কস্টোডি পিরিয়ড টা ଆଉ ତାର circumstances ତ କେଲେ 37 ହେଲେ କିଏ ଯାଇ ପାରିବେନି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଟା ଯେ ସେ କରିବ ନା ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କେମିତି କିଏ ଜାଣିବ 37
No, what are the evidence?
Evidence, my lord, while I am transporting in a auto, my lord.
What is the name? Name is?
My lord, my
Divya Uttara Maji.
Uttara Maji.
Uttara Maji.
And whose instruction you are doing?
My lord, that Pichu alias Srikant Naik.
Srikant Naik.
My lord.
But very meticulously these people have done in your case.
My lord. On further interrogation, he disclosed the name of the actual owner of the said ganja, Pichu alias Srikant Naik. And he is transporting as per his instruction, madam.
Well, petitioner is in custody since?
My lord, April 21/4/2025.
21/4/2025. 25. Pursuant to the order dated 18/12/2025, he has filed the wife of the father of the petitioner has filed an affidavit entirely stating that the petition is not involved in any of the case. It is further revealed from the record that on the instruction of one Srikant Naik, Pichu alias Srikant Naik, he was transporting the ganja contraband ganja of 40 kilo 419 gram. He was apprehended by the police while transporting. He is in custody since 21/4/2025, subject to verification. Not subject to verification.
68. May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, can I have a glance to this, the order which has already been passed by your lordship?
68.
My lord, can I have a glance to this, the order, previous order passed on 68, passed on 18/12/2025. Your lordship was pleased to have this matter in a length and was pleased to allow my bail application. But in the last occasion, my lord, that your lordship was pleased to ask me that you compensate some to the victim because that the victim has already.
There is a child.
Child again. সেই কথা ପାଇଁ ମତେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ paragraph 6 ଟାକୁ ହଜୁର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
Yes, I know.
ଆଜ୍ଞା I have obtained instruction, my lord, from my client. He is a tribal person and Munda community, and he has some property in his area, in his village. After release from the custody, he will make an arrangement to.
Where have you said that?
Again?
Where is the affidavit?
Now he is in custody.
Oh, somebody has to give affidavit.
And she is aged about 70 years. I have obtained instruction, my lord, and then he has gave me the answer
instruction
that I cannot.
There is a baby child.
Future of the
baby child, my lord. On that observation, if it will not be complied, then my lord, he will file the cancellation.
Don't make it so easy. He's 69-year old person.
Yes, my lord, I am.
There is a child born.
Child born, my
And
lord.
what will happen to that child?
Out of that
Girl
relationship.
child.
But your lordship, in the last portions of the written that she is aged about 17 years in the order sheet. I have verified, but actually she is aged about 30 years because her statement is there. She is aged about 30 years, but your lordship was indicate that she is aged about 17 years. That her statement is there, my lord, and his statement she has.
Where is
aged
the
about-
FIR? FIR is also not there.
Yes, my lord.
You accept rejection order, you have not filed anything.
I guess.
Except rejection order, you have not filed anything.
Once I am reading, my lord, I am reading the statement of the victim.
Here, show me everything. If you read, give me something to read also.
ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି statement ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 30 ବର୍ଷ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାର statement ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
FIR, what are the provisions?
ସବୁ
involved?
ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
Charge sheet filed.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାର statement file.
What are the offenses? Charge sheet.
ସରି ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଦେଇଦେଲି ବୋଧେ ଟିକେ
64(2)(m) against the accused. 64(2)(m).
କନସେଣ୍ଟିଂ ପାର୍ଟି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ 70 ବର୍ଷ ତାଙ୍କର ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଜ୍ ହଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଙ୍କର victim ର statement ଏବଂ your lordship has already gone through the one.
Show me the charge sheet. Either you read or I will read.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Except rejection order, nothing is filed.
Yes, sir. I have the charge sheet, your lordship.
What POXO is involved?
No, POXO नहीं आएगा POXO नहीं आएगा
64(2)(m) of VNS.
BNS Act आएगा
64(2)(m). Yes.
72
Yes.
in IPC.
The notice has to go then. Huh?
Notice is well sufficient.
already sufficient.
ଏଇଥିରେ ହେଇଛି ଗତ 20 ରେ ହେଇଛି ଲର୍ଡସିପ 20 22 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଛୁଟି ରିଓପନିଂ ରେ ଆସୁ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆସିବନି
Notice କାଇଁ?
ଏଇଟା ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା
notice ଆଜ୍ଞା sufficient ହେଇଛି
Why issued notice?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା lordship was pleased to allow
Let issue notice. Yes.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
2 and 3.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
20 ରେ ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଓପନିଂ ରେ ଆସୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା bail
ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଅଫ ଦି
bail applications has already been allowed by your lordship and your lordship on the last occasion put me a query that why you will not compensate that the levy. For that reason, yes, I submitted that, my lord. I will obtain instruction, then I will submit on the next date, my lord. That is the observation. And your lordship was pleased to pass.
Who is the informant? The victim herself.
mother, your lordship.
Mother of the victim.
Manju Badra.
Mother.
Yes, my lord.
Mother.
What about the victim?
The victim, my lord, is at about 30 years. And
Where is the notice? I have said 2 and 3.
Your lordship only
notice has already been issued.
No, not issue.
Consensual sex, my lord. Consensual sex.
Manju is the victim.
Manju is the informant. Mother of the victim.
Victim name is, my lord, that
Gangi. 69? None is there. Huh? What modification? All of these. Correct. ST case number 97. Yes.
71.
Yes.
70, I'm
70 mentioned.
70 somebody mentioned.
70 mentioned.
Somebody
no
may-
presence been a it's my case for recall I'm against NBW agents.
Who has
They
mentioned?
come
I
and-
don't know. Somebody mentioned.
My power, my case.
What to do? Somebody mention.
But
What do you want in this
and
case?
This is for recall of the order dated 23/12/2024, whereby your lordships, wide and ex parte judgment had affirmed the judgment of the trial court. Those sole grievance, my lords, in this particular case,
23?
23/12/2024.
Where is that order?
That is at date of judgment, your lordship may see 23/12/2024.
Where is that order? 23/12.
Yes, ma'am. 2024.
There is none.
Yes, ma'am. Here.
Is Lambu versus Lambodra Benia?
State of Odisha.
70 na? 70 na?
70.
Okay,
Item
Purna
70.
Okay.
While
Yes.
an ex parte judgment, your lordship had affirmed the
Nova council can appear noting is there mentioned.
I have appeared.
1 minute.
Yes.
What exactly what he says? You are for Purna Chandra.
Yes, my lords.
What happened here?
My lords, this is a judgment convicting me for 6 months and 2,30,000 NI Act case, my lords. 2,30,000 out of 2,30,000, 1,15,000 has already been paid, my lords, and we are agreeable to pay. Due to the laches of the previous council, my lords, on 2 dates only they could not appear. A judgment was done in judgment was reserved in 2017. Then there was no order till around 7 years, my lords. In 2024, the matter was again reopened. On 2 days, the council could not appear, for which your lordships abided.
That's wrong. I have very carefully seen it thereafter.
Yes, my lords.
Very exhaustive
my lords.
judgment.
If-
Review doesn't lie.
My lords, why I say so is,
Just see the order dated 21/11/2022. None appear
Yes.
on behalf of the petitioner. Thereafter 25/12/2022. None appear for the petitioner. Thereafter come to 16/12/2022. None appear for the petitioner. Thereafter come to 6/1/2023. None appear for either party. Okay. Thereafter again come to 6/9/2024. None appear. All and then come to 7/10/2024. None appear.
very similar.
Then again come to 8/10/2024. None appear.
Not showing you.
And thereafter I pass the judgment. How many days I'll wait for you?
My lords, I agree. That is why I.
Because you have issued the check.
Yes, my
The
lords.
complainant is suffering. You keep quiet.
My lords,
After
I have,
consent.
out of 2,30,000, 1,15,000 has been paid.
Whatever.
And
that's
my
it.
lords, the
You
petitioner
You
is.
have right forum, you go.
My lords, I only pray that if during that time a notice would have been issued to the petitioner.
Why
then
should we
he-
issue?
He would have appeared. This is what.
You tell me whose revision was it?
My lords,
You have
the
been
petitioner's
convicted.
revision.
Is it not responsibility to throw the paper and don't come since not 2022 you don't come. And I passed the judgment in 2024.
To that, my
3
lords,
years you don't come. After conviction.
I bow down to that, my lords. There has been some
That is the
latches
reason.
latches on part of the previous council, my lords. But for
No,
that
no.
fact,
And-
the
and-
petitioner
and-
should not be made to suffer, my lords.
Have you read the recent judgment? Have you got the no objection from the earlier judge lawyer?
No, my lord, since it was a disposed of case, no objection was not necessary.
Then why should you say that earlier lawyer?
My lords?
Lawyer change, everything changes.
No, my lords. Due to the latches of a particular lawyer, the petitioner should not suffer.
Have you
Because
taken
it's-
any action against?
Because it's a case of.
Have you taken against?
No.
Then
Because it's a case of conviction, my
one
lords.
lawyer should not say anything
No,
about.
no, I'm not saying, I'm not putting any blame on that lawyer.
It is only that the person, he's a convicted, he's a 80 years old
Anyway,
person.
I'm not.
6 months conviction, my lords, and he is ready to pay off the debts also if referred to mediation within a stipulated time. Because only he's 80 years and 6 months he will have to spend in jail after issuance
What is
of
the
the
conviction? Conviction. Where is? Show me the judgment of conviction. Judgment of conviction. And appeal. What is the compensation amount?
compensation is 2,30,000. Out
And-
of that, 1,15,000 was deposited before the court below.
Then you
That has been
deposit full 2 lakh, then I'll consider.
another 1,15,000 is remaining, my lords.
Deposit full. Because I can't recall a judgment.
My lords, I only.
It is not a order, it is a full-fledged judgment. You
My
got to go, you know where to go.
My lords, I only pray, my lords.
What can I do?
1,15,000 already paid, 1,15,000 is the remaining amount. 1,15,000, my lords, may give me some time, I will deposit before.
No, sometime.
Before
Come
this-
with the money,
My lords, may keep it to first week of January, I'll take.
come with
My lords.
the entire money, then I'll consider.
Yes, my lords, yes, my lords.
That is 2,30,000.
That will, out of that 1,15,000 paid, my lords.
How will I know?
It is there, my lords. It is our admission and it has been deposited in the court below. From there, he had already.
You showed me, but 2,30,000 rupees is the
Compensation amount, my lords.
and 6 month sentence.
Yes, my lords.
You give the entire amount, then I'll consider.
My lords may consider, I'll show your lordships that 1,15,000 was deposited and
Show me right
already
now.
withdrawn and another one.
Show me right now.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is no way, throw papers in the court and there's a sleepover.
No,
And therefore judgment is passed, then you move an application.
No, that is the fault of the
I'll
petition.
impose cost also.
After-
Because you have wasted the court's time
After.
since see,
Yes,
2013
I
this
bow down
matter
to
is
that.
pending.
I bow down to that.
2013 conviction.
I bow down to that. I have no explanation to that effect.
Then you have to pay 1 lakh rupees for that.
Malach may keep it to
Cost
first
of
week
1 lakh rupees.
January. I'll show your lordships that 1,15,000 and I will deposit. No interim order I'm seeking at this.
I'll see that.
Yes, Malach.
2011 you are convicted. Appeal is dismissed in 2012. Revision filed in 2013. And from 2013, for 1 day appeared, thereafter complete absent.
Malach.
And I passed the judgment in 2024.
24.
You are moving an application for recall now.
Malach,
Saying this happened, that lawyer had done this. all this.
that is what the fact is. Malach.
Dishonesty of the highest level.
Malach. It is the
Dishonesty of,
fault of the
I'll
petition.
allow it.
It is
I will not allow you to withdraw also. I'll allow the petition. I make sure that entire amount is deposited and 1 lakh rupees cost also you are going to pay.
Malach may keep it to January. All these instructions I'll.
Be ready. You have invited a bigger problem.
Cost to the
Dishonesty of.
Yes,
highest
Malach.
grade.
It is the fault of the petitioner, Malach. There is no explanation to that.
Can't be tolerated.
Yes, Malach.
You can't take the High Court
Yes, ma'am.
like this. Yes.
71.
71. What is this?
Modification order dictated by 6 to
What modification?
For extension of time from reaching.
Yeah, modification. Formal modification or what? What modification?
extension of
Extension of time. Modification of modify order to extend directing the petitioner to surrender the 15 days extension for the 15 days date to 15 days per year. Made clear that no further extensions shall be granted. Yes.
72.
Yes, madam.
My lord, this is an application for FIR quashing, my lord, quashing of FIR, my lord. And my lord, if I may pray for this matter to be taken up on first week of January.
What do you want? February
My
20.
prayer is for quashing of the FIR, my lord. And I have also filed an application for
You didn't appear, so therefore it was adjourned
my
to
lord.
February. You want preponement.
8 तारीख को ठीक है बोल रही था
Early hearing notice.
any day first week of January.
Reasons stated in the application, the same is allowed. The date of hearing is preponed to 13 January.
My lord, 13 January there is a टिके असुविधा बता आगो टिके
Then?
Reopening week, any week, 5 or 7, 8, no, any day, my lord.
15 January. 15.
Please.
73.
Second item, there are two matter.
Second case.
Second,
Second, you are withdrawing.
Uh-huh.
Second item. Withdrawing as fine.
Mm.
And what about the first?
In the first case, the petitioner filed a CRLMA for cancellation of bail.
Hmm.
There are some conditions. Kindly see, my lord, by order dated 12/2024, page 10, my lord.
This condition is violated.
Para 3, my lord. My lord.
Which condition?
The allegation against the petition is that he has entered in an agreement.
Which condition? Condition number?
Condition, my lord, kindly see.
Which paragraph you are reading by?
Para 3, my lord.
Para 3.
Page 10.
Hmm.
The allegation against the petition is that he has entered into an agreement with the informant on 26/2/2020 and has taken a sum of rupees 47,70,000
अच्छा जी, ठीक है.
and a
Thereafter?
to sell. Thereafter, it is an admitted fact that the petitioner has indeed taken the entire money from the informant. However, neither he returned the money nor executed the sale deed in favor of the informant so far as the property is concerned. Para 5. The petition is in custody since 5/1/2020.
5 lakh rupees he has paid, 47 crore.
My lord. The petition has brought a draft 5 lakh rupees in the name of the
pay.
informant on his own. Violation.
Why don't you pay 6 months?
Actually, I have not got information from the lower court that whether he is paid or not. And he is.
See, you have told the court that yes, 5 lakhs I am paying, rest of the money I will pay. Give me bail. I gave the bail. Now you are.
In the meantime, I take instruction that due to financial crisis, he has not paid. Now the trial is in
If
last.
you have a financial crisis, government will take care of you. Don't worry.
So now the
You go inside,
now
they'll-
case
they'll
so
give
now
you-
the case in trial stage. Already
Whatever, but
already trial is over.
See, that's not the issue. Issue is you have told the court that I am going to pay. That's the reason you got the bail.
Take some
That's it.
time. Give some time for instruction.
How much time?
First week of reopening date.
I'll just say that let him file an affidavit.
Reopening date also.
This is an application for
Deposit in the meantime. I doing it.
let him file an
Speak with
affidavit.
the
what
honorable
he'll-
courts order.
Sir, in meantime, I cannot deposit, sir.
Recalling of the order dated 12/3/2024 filed by the informant opposite party number 2. Land counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he would file an affidavit giving the day regarding the payment he has already made after the order dated 12/3/2024. Leaves the matter on 8. File an affidavit.
Sir, whatever amount I have paid. Whatever amount I have paid.
How, after this order, how much you have paid? Because 5 lakhs you paid. Thereafter, the remaining amount, whether you have paid or not, how will you pay? Rather you pay it and he file a quashing petition, it will be quashed. Why unnecessary?
If you want to survive there, I like to ask that. Today, I say nothing to follow. Fifty-one that they don't see, sir. Adjon,